Okay guys, so we start now the class. Okay, kita mula sekarang. Okay, so we will start with paper 2 guys. First, okay, kita mula kertas 1 dulu. Okay, so this is the first question guys. Soalan pertama. Okay, so the question is, determine whether the straight line is parallel to this straight line. Okay, dia nak tentukan sama ada garis tu selari atau tidak. So guys, if you want to see parallel or not parallel, you must see what guys? May I know? Kalau nak tengok selari atau tak, kena nampak apa? What is the quantity you guys must see? Yes. Okay, parallel or not parallel, you guys kena kira nilai M guys. Okay, kecerunan. You guys must find the gradient. Kalau nak tentukan selari atau tak selari. Okay, so guys, if you focus on this equation, negative 6x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, what is the gradient of this line guys? Can you all tell me? Apa kecerunan garis ni? Anyone? Wrong. Okay, cannot direct see guys. Tak boleh tengok kecerunan secara terus. You must see step by step. Okay? So what is the gradient here guys? Okay. You should get, let me see Yeah. Hey, wait. Let me try to divide and see. 6 over, yeah, correct. Okay, your gradient is 3 over 2 guys. 3/2. Am I right? Okay, how you guys get 3 over 2? You rearrange in y equal to mx plus c guys. Okay, kamu kena susun persamaan ni dalam y equal to mx plus c. Okay, just rearrange your equation. Okay, so can you see guys, your gradient is actually 3 over 2. Okay, kecerunan dia adalah 3/2. Okay, alright. Okay, so then the next part guys, these 2 points, you can find the gradient also, right? Kamu boleh kira kecerunan dua-dua titik ni. Am I right? Okay, so what is the gradient over here? Can anyone tell me? Apa kecerunan dia? Kalau kamu kira. 1, 7 and 3, negative 3, 1. So dapat berapa? Okay, so you will take 1 minus 7 over negative 3 minus 1. Correct? This is how you guys find, right? Okay, gradient formula. Kamu kena guna rumus ni. Okay, so your answer is negative 6 over negative 4. Okay, so jawapan dia apa guys? Your answer is 3 over 2, right? Yeah. So yang ni pun 3/2. Tadi pun 3/2 guys. So guys, does it mean they are parallel or not? Adakah mereka selari atau tidak? Yes or no? Just now you get 3 over 2. Now also you get 3 over 2. So, they are parallel lah guys. Okay, mereka adalah selari. So, this is how you guys can prove they are parallel. Ini cara kamu buktikan. Kamu cari kecerunan. Okay, you find the gradient. Okay, so you guys can see the working over here. Ini jalan kira dia. Okay, so you just need to show M1 and M2 is equal to 3 over 2. Okay, kedua-dua sama dengan 3/2, so they are parallel. Okay, mereka adalah selari. Okay, so that's the concept. Clear guys? Question 1. All of you understand how to do it? Semua jelas? Soalan 1. Yes or no? This one is lower form topic lah guys. Question 1 is an example of lower form. Menengah rendah. Okay? Alright, and then question 2 guys. Soalan kedua. Okay, now we come to implication guys. This one is your form 4 chapter 3. Logical reasoning. Penakulan logic. Okay? So guys, how to state the implication? What is the answer guys? Apa implikasi dia? Kalau kamu nampak ya ni. Anyone? They ask for P. Implikasi P. So they want the implication for P only. So anyone? What is the answer you think? Apa jawapan dia? Anyone? Come on. Apa implikasi P dia? What you guys think? P implication. You guys must remember, you have P statement and also Q statement. Am I right? Kamu ada pernyataan P, kamu ada pernyataan Q. Betul? Okay, so which one is the P statement? You guys must know yang mana pernyataan P guys kat sini. Anyone? Come on. Simple only guys. Senang saja. Anyone don't have idea? Siapa kat sini tak tahu macam mana buat? Cuba komen. Who don't know what is the answer? What is the implication of P? Okay, so I give you guys a hint. Okay, you guys see over here. This is the inverse. Okay, yang ni adalah songsangan. The question already tell you. Okay, yang ni adalah songsangan. So, if you guys want to get implikasi, what is the format guys of implication? Apa format dia? Do you all still remember? Apa format untuk implikasi? The general form. Yes. Okay, basically kamu kena terbalikkan yang ni lah guys. Okay? Yes. Okay, implication lah guys is if P then Q. Remember, kalau saya cakap implikasi dia adalah jika P maka Q. Okay, kamu kena ingat yang tu. Okay, if P then Q. Okay guys, ini adalah untuk implikasi. But guys, songsangan, inverse, what is the format guys? May I know? Untuk songsangan macam mana format dia? Anyone? For inverse. Do you all still remember? Yes. Okay, bukan. Salah. Okay, yang tu adalah akas guys. Jangan confuse. Okay, yang tu untuk akas. Converse. Converse is if Q then P. Jika Q maka P. Yes, correct. Fatin Adilia betul. Okay, so format bagi songsangan, jika bukan P, maka bukan Q. Faham guys? For inverse, the format is always if negate P, then negate Q. Okay, kamu kena buat penafian. That's why kamu nampak simbol tak sama dengan kat sini guys. Can you guys see that? You have not equal to sign. So this is an example of negation, penafian. Okay? Understand guys? Get the concept? Clear? Okay, so how to get the implication? Macam mana tulis dia? You just negate this lah guys. Okay, kalau kamu nafikan tak sama dengan, dapat apa guys? If you negate not equals to, what is your answer? Common sense. Kamu terbalikkan. Tak sama dengan jadi what? Not equals to will become what guys? Negation. Konsep dia penafian. So dia jadi apa? Anyone? Ya, sama dengan lah guys. Itu saja. Itu adalah penafian. Faham tak guys? Okay, dari tak sama dengan, dia jadi sama dengan. Okay, from not equal to, become equal to. This is negation guys. Penafian. Faham tak? Okay, so same concept over here. Kamu nampak kan simbol dia tak sama dengan. You see not equal to. So, for this one you write equal to lah guys. Sama dengan. Okay, because kat sini untuk implikasi tak ada penafian. Kamu kena ingat. Okay, implication there is no negation. Implication is just normal only. Kaedah biasa. If P then Q. Jika P maka Q. Understand? Okay, so inilah jawapan dia guys. So for part A, the answer is if 24 plus 6, 24 divide 6 equal 4, then 6 minus 24 divide 6 equal 2. Okay? So kamu nampak guys, dari tak sama dengan simbol dia, dia jadi sama dengan. Can you guys see that? The symbol actually change from not equal to become equal to. So everything else you copy. Semua ayat yang lain salin. Simbol saja tukar. Understand guys? Do you get the concept for question 2A? Yes or no? Can I have some response? Jelas untuk 2A? So kamu nafikan saja ayat yang dia beri. Okay? Just negate the sentence. Okay, next one. Okay, so this one is induction guys. Kesimpulan secara induksi. Okay, so can anyone tell me the answer? Apa jawapan dia untuk yang ni? What you guys think? How do I write my conclusion? Kesimpulan for this one. You just see the pattern, then you can tell the answer already. Hanya kamu perlu nampak pola. Itu saja. So anyone got idea how to write the answer? Siapa ada n minus 1 times n power 3 plus 1. Ya, bukan. Not correct. Itu bukan jawapan dia. Try again guys. Cuba lagi sekali. Anyone else? Ada clue? Do you guys have a clue? Any other tries? Cuba. Yang lain pun cuba. Macam mana buat kesimpulan guys? How to make the conclusion? Okay. No, bukan. Try again guys. Cuba lagi. No. See carefully guys. Kamu kena nampak pola hati-hati. See carefully the pattern. Okay, you guys see over here, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Can you guys see that? 0, 1, 2, 3. And then you guys see 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? Yes. Okay, Joanne answer is correct. Okay. Yes, very good, Lovena. Correct. Okay, the answer is n plus 1 power 3 plus 1. Do you guys see that? Nampak? Okay, because n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Dapat tak guys? Konsep dia. Can you guys see it? Because 0, it changed to 1. 1 changed to 2. 2 become 3. 3 become 4. So tambah 1, tambah 1. Nampak tak? Okay, dalam baris yang sama, kamu kena tambah 1 plus 1. Okay? Clear guys? How to solve the question? Jelas? So anytime you see a number that is changing, kamu nampak nombor yang berubah, just give a symbol n. Very simple. 4 times 5. No. You must write general formula, Mia. Now they ask you induction. Buat kesimpulan secara induksi. So formula dia kena am. Faham tak? Okay, you must write general formula. General formula maksudnya dia ada simbol n guys. Ingat. Okay, rumus yang am maksudnya ada simbol n. Okay? Can you guys get it? Clear? No problem? So itu adalah jawapan dia. Okay? So you guys can see the answer over here. Inilah jawapan dia. Okay? So question 2, all of you clear? Soalan 2 semua orang okay? Sampai sekarang? Any problem so far? Question 2? Okay or not? Need some feedback guys. Kalau okay saja saya teruskan. If you guys must tell me, okay or not so far? Can Okay, so continue. Question number 3. Okay, so for question 3 is talking about probability guys, kebarangkalian. Okay, so this one is actually your form 4 lah guys. Form 4 chapter 9, kebarangkalian. Who don't like this chapter? Anyone of you? Siapa tak suka kebarangkalian kat sini? Okay, so focus guys. For those that don't like probability, focus well. Wah, banyak orang. Okay, so focus well this question. Okay, so for this question guys, they ask you calculate the probability a female student is chosen. Okay, kamu kena kira kebarangkalian pelajar dipilih adalah perempuan. Okay, so you see the keyword guys. Dia pilih orang tu daripada kelab matematik sahaja. Only maths club. Okay, so if it's only maths club, okay, maths mana? Oh, it means the whole thing lah. Seluruh club lah. Okay, so guys, the most important thing here is, does the time matter or not? Masa dia penting tak guys? Kat sini. Kalau kamu nampak soalan A. Adakah dia bagi tahu apa-apa tentang masa? Did they tell the time? Morning or afternoon? None, right? Okay, means that it is random. Okay, dia adalah lawak. Okay, so means that what is the total here guys? May I know? Untuk kebarangkalian saya, apa jumlah dia kat bawah? Anyone of you guys got idea? Divide how much? Very simple. You must find the total. Yes, very good. The total is 170 guys. Can you see that? Okay, total dia adalah 100 tambah 70. Okay, so that's why jumlah dia 170. Okay, clear guys? So means that is divide 170. Okay, and then the top part, yang atas pecahan tu apa? Female student. Okay, kamu nak pelajar perempuan. So how many female student guys? May I know? Berapa pelajar perempuan kat sini? Merah is female. Okay, the red color is perempuan. So you guys can count and see lah. This one is 60, right? This one is 50. So total 110. Correct? 110 guys. 110. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So whenever you guys write probability kebarangkalian, can I leave the final answer like this guys? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya tinggal jawapan macam ni? Very good. Okay, you guys must actually simplify. Ingat, selalu beri jawapan dalam bentuk termudah. Okay, you must give the answer in simplest form. Okay, so your answer is this one for part A. Okay, if you guys want to give decimal also can. Perpuluhan pun diterima. Okay? So this is the concept. Okay, next one. Okay, so for part B, guys, they say 2 students chosen from female student. You guys see the keyword dipilih daripada pelajar perempuan. So guys, may I know what is the total now? Apa jumlah saya sekarang? Anyone got idea? Based on this diagram. Now they say they choose from female student only. Yang perempuan saja. So total dia berapa? Yes. Okay, your total now is divide 110, guys. Okay, because the total is these two. 60 plus 50. Okay? Alright. And then they ask you morning session. Sesi pagi. Okay, so you guys need to check and see. Sesi pagi, you guys got 60 people, right? 60 perempuan. Okay, so it's 60 divide 110. So this is for the first student, guys. Murid yang pertama. Okay, second student. What is the probability for the second student? Apa kebangkalian dia kalau murid yang kedua? Anyone got idea? This one important, penting. So can anyone type out second student? So does the total remain the same or not? That's the most important question, guys. Adakah jumlah dia masih 110? Okay, so actually the total is going to change to become 109, guys. Take note. Okay, jumlah dia akan jadi 109. Why? Because you guys already choose one person. Kamu sudah pilih satu orang. So automatically kamu kena tolak satu dari jumlah. Faham? You must minus one from the total. Okay. Although the question never say anything, soalan tak bagi tahu apa-apa, you must assume without replacement lah, guys. The case over here is without replacement. Tanpa penggantian. Kamu kena anggap yang ni. That's why jumlah dia kurang satu. Faham, guys? You guys get the concept? So it's tanpa penggantian. Okay? Alright. So now, guys, what is the value on top here? Can you all tell me? Nilai ke atas? Yes. Okay, the answer is 59. Correct. Okay, this one also must minus one lah, guys. Tolak satu. Because you guys already choose one girl. Sudah pilih satu pelajar perempuan. Okay, so you guys just press calculator. Your answer should get 354 over 1199. Ini adalah jawapan dia. Final answer. Okay, clear, guys? Question B. Jelas so far? No problems? Okay, continue. Okay, so now question C, guys. Now they say afternoon session. Sesi petang. Okay, so guys, what is the total now? May I know? Apa jumlah dia sekarang for part C? Now they say afternoon session. No, kamu kena specific. Soalan dah bagi tahu sesi petang. Yes. Okay, jumlah dia sekarang 70, guys. Understand? So it's bahagi 70. Faham? Okay. So the question say at least one male student. Sekurang-kurangnya seorang pelajar lelaki. Maksudnya macam ni kan simbol dia, guys. Am I right? Greater than or equal to 1. Lebih besar atau sama dengan 1. Alright? Okay. So since they say only 2 people chosen, 2 orang dipilih. So guys, konsep dia boleh jadi satu lelaki, boleh jadi 2 lelaki. Betul? Means one boy, one girl, satu lelaki, satu perempuan, ataupun case kedua, dua-dua lelaki, 2 boys, one shot. Okay, but case macam ni, pengiran dia lebih panjang kan, guys? Am I right? Okay, this type of way of calculation is a bit long, sedikit panjang. So, if you guys can think terbalik, cuba fikir secara terbalik. I can take 1 minus 0 boy. Am I right? Saya ambil jumlah kebangkalian 1, total probability is 1, minus probability saya dapat 0 lelaki. Maksudnya, 2 perempuan. Faham tak, guys? Do you see the concept? I take total 1, minus probability, both of it is a girl. 2 perempuan. Okay, so what is the probability that both of it is girl? So kamu kena lihat lah. Nilai dia 50 kan? Okay, it's 50. So it's 50 over 70 times how much, guys? May I know? Second probability dia berapa? Untuk murid yang kedua. the second student. Anyone? Apa nilai dia? So does the total remain the same or different? Nilai dia sama atau berbeza? Bukan. Sekarang murid kedua guys. It'll be different guys. Okay, nilai dia akan berbeza. So how much? What is the value for the second probability? Anyone got idea? Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is 49 over 69 guys. Do you understand why? It's the same concept like just now. Minus 1, minus 1. Kamu kena tolak satu atas bawah. Sebab kamu dah pilih satu perempuan dah. Faham tak? Okay, you already chosen one girl. So this is for the second girl guys. Yang kedua. Okay? Understand? And then you take 1 minus this answer. Satu tolak seluruh jawapan. Sebab sekarang kita nak lelaki. So, satu tolak lah. Sebab dia nak lelaki. Male student. Okay? Do you guys get the concept? Dari mana dapat 50? Oh, 50 kat sini. Nilai ni 50. Cuba baca graf. 50 kan? Aisyah. 50 perempuan kat sini. Okay? Dapat? So, 50 perempuan lah untuk yang pertama. So, kebarangkalian dia 50 per 70. Okay? Alright. Okay, so clear guys? Question 3. Semua orang jelas? Should be 69 guys. Irfan Nazri. Okay, 34 per 69. Cuba check. Okay, saat saya cuba kira. Tengok dia betul ke tak. 1 minus answer. Yeah, 69. Okay, it's okay. Can go a bit slower. Okay, can. No problem. It's okay, no worries. Just catch up, slow and steady. Okay, Amik to DP, yes. Okay, kamu boleh tulis jawapan 2 tempat perpuluhan, guys. Okay, 2 decimal. But usually I will recommend you guys write in fraction lah. Okay, saya sarankan kamu tulis dalam pecahan. Always. For probability, always write fraction. Okay? Kalau kamu nampak saja bab kebarangkalian ni, dia suruh kira kebarangkalian kertas 2, jawapan tulis pecahan. Faham tak guys? Kalau memang tak boleh dapat pecahan, baru kamu tulis perpuluhan. Okay, so first choice is fraction, pecahan. Okay, second choice is decimal, perpuluhan. Okay? Why we don't take for one lelaki, one perempuan, ya sir? Oh, as I said, I'm using the concept of 1, which is total probability, minus both of it is a girl. Understand lah? I fikir terbalik. Sebab soalan tanya nak sekurang-kurangnya satu lelaki kan? So, saya ambil satu, tolak, tak ada lelaki. So dia sama dengan sekurang-kurangnya satu lelaki lah. Am I right? Do you guys get the concept? So 1 minus 0 boy is equal to at least 1 boy. Okay, so that is faster to count lah guys. Kaedah ni lebih pantas. Berbanding kamu kira satu lelaki dan 2 lelaki. Ada 2 case. So, kamu kena tambah 2 kebarangkalian. Okay? Kenapa saya dapat 35 per saat? Cuba tekan betul-betul. Okay, jawapan yang ni betul. Kalau jalan kira kamu macam ni, sepatutnya dapat. Okay, if you guys working like this one, you should get the answer. Okay, 34 over 69. Okay, Syahira? You just check and see lah. Careless mistake code. Okay, alright. So next question guys. Question number 4. Okay, so for question 4 is okay, no problem. Okay, so for this one guys, base numbers. Okay, asas nombor. So this is form 4 chapter 2 guys. Okay, so they tell you state the smallest and largest 3-digit number in base 5. Okay, this is a good question guys. Apa nombor terkecil dalam asas 5? Anyone of you guys know the answer? No, terkecil lah guys. I want the smallest number in base 5. No, it's not 0. 0 is not a number. Okay? No. Guys, question asks 3-digit number. Read the question carefully. Nombor 3 digit guys. So means that must have 3 digit. You just give me 1 is considered 1 digit. 111 salah? Yes, the answer is 100 guys, 100. Okay, 100 guys, you can count and see one. If it's 100, the answer, wait, base 5, right? Question say asas 5, yeah, base 5. Okay, so the value is actually how much? 1 times 5 power 2, right? Okay, jawapan dia 25, base 10, correct? So this is actually the smallest value in base 5. Ini adalah nilai yang terkecil. Faham guys? Can you see the concept? Okay, I ask you guys a question. Let's say I change my answer. Saya tukar jawapan. Can I write like this guys? Boleh tak macam ni? 0110. Okay, is this valid? Sah ke tak? Okay, very good. Okay, because question say must be 3 digit. Okay, yang ni adalah 2 digit saja guys. Faham tak? If I give my answer like this, is 2 digit. Okay? Tak. Yang ni soalan baru. Okay? Soalan yang baru. Alright. So the answer is 100 base 5 guys. The smallest. Okay, what is the largest? Can you guys think and see? Largest 3 digit number in base 5. Wait Sat. So we cannot letak other numbers than that. Yes, correct. Only one answer guys. This type of question, satu jawapan saja. Yes, the answer is 444 guys. 444. Nombor terbesar asas 5. Okay, this is the largest number, base 5. Okay, random question. What topic in maths do you think usually known? Can be anything guys. Bahagian C, dia boleh keluar apa-apa topik yang dia suka. There is no specific topic one. They can combine lower form, menengah rendah, combine with form 4, tingkatan 4, form 5 pun boleh. There is many choice one. Okay, so I cannot predict for you lah. Okay, memang tak boleh jangka. Okay, boleh ke letak nombor atas dari 5? Tak boleh. Sebab asas 5, had dia adalah kena lebih kurang dari 5. Faham tak guys? Okay, when I say base 5, only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Digit yang dibenarkan. Only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? If I say base 6, asas 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 tak boleh. 6 cannot. Okay? Understand guys? Do you get the concept? So all the digit over here must be less than 5. Okay? Kena kurang dari 5. Kalau 5 tak boleh. Macam saya kata, 5 memang tak boleh. Okay? Because this is base 5 guys. Asas 5, digit yang tertinggi boleh pergi hanya 4. Ingat. Okay, until number 4 only. Okay? Can guys? No problem. Okay. So now, the question asks you to find the difference of the numbers. Okay, kamu kena macam ni lah. Yang ni saja. Kamu kena tulis macam ni. 444 base 5 and 100 base 5. Macam ni lah. Okay, this is the first part. And then second part, question asks to find difference guys. Kamu kena cari beza. Difference of the two numbers in base 6. Dia nak beza dalam asas 6. Okay, so how? Macam mana? You guys must think and see lah. If base 6, you guys need to convert lah. Okay, kamu kena buat penukaran sikit. Okay, so if you want to convert, you must convert to base 10 first lah. Yeah, so 100 base 5, you convert to base 10, you will get 25, 25. And then 444 base 5, you convert to base 10, so it's 4 times 5 square plus 4 times 5 1 plus 4 times 5 power 0. So this is the answer. So jawapan dia how much? 100, 124, yeah. Okay, 124. Okay, so you guys can find the difference first. Cari beza dua-dua yang ni. So 124 minus 25, berapa? You can press calculator. 124 minus 25, 99. Okay, so 99 ni asas 10 kan guys? Base 10, 99. So I can convert it to base 6. 99 tukar ke asas 6. So bahagi. Okay, so you guys will get 16. This one is 3, 6, 2, 4, 6, 0, 2. So jawapan dia apa guys? What is the final answer? All of you. Yes, the answer is 243 base 6. This is the difference guys. Beza dia. Understand? How to solve, guys? Jelas? Clear? No problem? Simple, right, guys? Senang. So just follow the step. Remember, when you want to convert like base 5 to base 6, asas 5 ke asas 6, selalunya kena convert ke asas 10 dulu, guys. You must always go to base 10 first, then only you go to other base. Base 10, kamu mesti lalui dia. Okay? Base 10 is wajib. Okay? Alright. So next one, question number 5. Okay, so question 5 is on variation, guys. Ubahan. Okay, so question asks you, find the value of y. Cari nilai y. Okay, so for y, you must use the equation lah, guys. Kamu kena guna persamaan ni. So R varies inversely as S square. Okay, berubah secara songsang dengan S kuasa 2. Okay, wait. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so you guys will use this one or this one first? All of you. Info mana yang kamu guna dulu? A or B? Yes. Okay, you always use the information which has full info lah. Okay, kamu guna yang penuh. R penuh, S penuh. Okay, so you must add constant, tambah pemala, and then substitute. R equal 3, S equal 2, so nilai K adalah 12. Am I right? K equal 12. So I write back R equal to 12 over S square. If half of the exam is full of bab 1 form 5, I think we would get, of course lah, guys, bab 1 form 5 is very simple. Am I right? Ubahan sangat senang. Only one question usually will come, guys, this chapter. Bab ni satu soalan saja keluar. If kertas 2 lah, paper 2. Okay? Okay, so next one. So R equal to Y, S equal to 3. So kamu gantikan lah. So your answer is equal to 4 over 3. Understand, guys, how to get the answer? Jelas for question A? Straightforward lah, guys. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, all right. Next one. So next one is question 6. Soalan ke-6. Okay, so question 6 is on quadratic function. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so the equation is fx equal to 4x minus mx square plus 8 minus 3m. Okay, ini adalah persamaan dia. Okay, so question say one of the root is 1. Salah satu punca ialah 1. So guys, how do I find the m? Can you all tell me? Macam mana cari nilai m? Anyone got idea? What to do over here? Apa yang kamu akan gantikan kat sini? Yes. Okay, you must substitute x equal 1 lah, guys. Okay, gantikan x sama dengan 1. Because soalan dah bagi tahu punca tu adalah 1. Okay, one of the root is 1. So means that x is equal to 1. So fx equal to how much, guys? May I know? Nilai fx sama dengan berapa? Kalau saya cakap punca. Now we are talking about roots. So roots, fx, how much? Anyone? Sama dengan apa? Nilai fx. Anyone? Come on. What is your fx value? Talking about roots, guys. Saya nak nilai dia, guys. I want the value. Yes, of course 0 lah, guys. Okay, when you talk about roots, remember y is equal to 0. Okay, kalau punca, nilai y kena sama dengan kosong. Okay, sebab dia di atas paksi x. Faham? It's on the x-axis, so y equals 0. Okay, so you substitute 0 equal to 4 times 1 minus m1 square plus 8 minus 3m. So you guys can solve lah. Selesaikan for m. So 4 minus m plus 8 minus 3m. So negative 12 equal to negative 4m. So nilai m is actually 3. Understand, guys, how to get the answer? Jelas? Ym is equal to 3. Can? Simple. Senang tak? Understand, right? Okay. Then the question asks you the value of the other root. Satu lagi nilai punca. Okay, so you guys need to factorize lah. Okay, faktorkan persamaan kamu. So fx, kau faham apa function put? Oh, yang tu nak bagi tahu kamu ada dua nilai x. Itu saja. Kat sini dia bagi tahu satu nilai kan, x sama dengan 1. So soalan B dia nak kamu cari satu lagi nilai dia. Faham tak? So itu maksudnya dua punca nyata yang berbeza. Okay, two different real root means you got 2x value lah guys. That's all. Okay? So your answer, fx equal to 4x minus m. Okay, so m you can gantikan lah guys. M sama dengan 3 kan? So you tulis 3 lah. 3x square plus 8 minus 3m. So you just substitute the value of m, gantikan dia. So you will get negative 3x square plus 4x minus 1. Correct? Okay, and then they want you to find roots, right guys? Dia nak cari punca. So you guys can factorize. Okay, faktorkan persamaan ni. Okay, so equal to 0, 3x square minus 4x plus 1. So you guys factorize lah. Okay, 2 kurungan sama dengan kosong. So 3x, x, 1, 1, negative, negative. Alright? So x equal 1 over 3. Sorry. Wait lah guys. X equal to 1 over 3 and x equal to 1. So guys, which one is the answer? May I know? Apa jawapan dia sekarang? 1 ataupun 1/3? Which one is the correct answer? 1 over 3 or 1? Are you sure? Guys, 1 soalan dah bagi tahu tadi. 1. Faham tak? Sekarang soalan tanya satu lagi nilai punca. Just now the question already tell you one of the root is 1. So now question ask another root. So you guys must tell this value lah guys. Yang ni kamu dah tahu. Okay? So nilai dia kamu kena buat kesimpulan lah. X equal to 1 over 3 sahaja. Okay? Understand guys? Concept? This question? No problem? Jelas? So this is the working jalan kira. Okay? So far, all good? Any questions so far? If I don't put the conclusion, I lost mark? Yes. You guys can see. Conclusion, dia ada satu markah. Nampak? So you must write x equal to what? Your final answer. Okay, jawapan dia. Okay? Because if you factorize this, you have two answer, right guys? Kalau faktorkan ada dua nilai x. So kamu kena pilih satu saja. Okay, just choose one x value. Okay? Alright. So next one. Question number 7. Okay, so question 7 is on your circles, guys. Topic bulatan. Okay, this one also is lower form topic. Okay, so for this one, wait, let me see. Okay, so for this question, they ask you calculate the perimeter of shaded region. Okay, dia nak perimeter kawasan berlorek. Okay, so very simple guys. The question say PR is 12 cm. So you just label PR 12 cm, QR 9 cm. So this is 9 cm. So QP apa panjang dia guys? Can you all tell me? What is your length for QP? Anyone? Yeah, this one will be 3 cm lah. 12 minus 9. So 3 cm. Okay? And then RS. Apa panjang RS guys? RS Yes, correct. So RS how much? Yes. Okay, RS is also 12 cm guys. Because it's the radius, jejari. Okay, jejari dia akan sama nilai. Okay? Alright, so now you guys can find QS, right? Okay, so QS, what is the answer? So you guys see a right angle triangle. Segitiga bersudut tegak. So you guys can use what? What is the concept to find QS? Anyone? Yes, Pythagoras theorem, guys. Okay, so you guys just guna theorem Pythagoras. Okay, so your answer is actually 15 cm. Correct? So kamu dah dapat QS. Okay, so now you guys kena cari yang ni lah. You must find this one, then settle. Okay, so PS. PS is the arc length, right? Panjang lengkok. So, do you guys still remember what is the formula for arc length? Arc length equal to what? This one is actually a quadrant. S equal, cannot guys. Cannot use ADMATS formula in mathematics. Take note jangan letak formula ADMATS kat sini. Hanya mathematics saja boleh. Only maths formula. So maths formula dia apa? Panjang lengkok. Equal to what? Do you all still remember? Okay, actually this one got in front of the formula list, guys. They already give you guys actually kat depan rumus lah. Okay, but if you guys can remember it, it's much easier lah, guys. This is the formula. Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Masih ingat, guys? This formula? Panjang lengkok? So you guys boleh guna rumus ni. Okay, so what is the value of your angle? Can you all tell me? Theta. Apa nilai dia? Panjang lengkok dalam BM. Okay? Panjang lengkok. Okay guys. So theta. Sudut dia berapa? Soalan ni. Anyone? 90 degrees, right? Okay, because kamu nampak yang ni. Am I right? 90 degrees. Okay, so theta equal to 90. Correct? Okay, and then R. Nilai R berapa, guys? Anyone got idea? R value equal to how much? Yes, 12, right? You already found the answer. So you substitute 12. Okay, pi value, guys. Nilai pi ganti dengan apa? 3.142 or 22 over 7? Yes. Okay, remember follow the question, guys. Ikut soalan dia. Okay, so pi is 22 over 7. Understand, guys? So you guys just tekan calculator lah. This one. Okay, and then question ask perimeter. So you take this one, 15 tambah 3 tambah seluruh yang ni. So that is the final answer. Jawapan akhir. Yes, length is panjang, correct. Okay, so you guys can see over here. This is the answer. Wait, so over here. Okay, so you can see for question A. Sorry, I didn't put the answer. Never mind lah. You guys know how to do, right? Sudah tahu kan proses dia. Saya lupa letak jawapan. Okay, so the concept is just 15 cm plus 3 cm plus this one. Okay, that is your final answer. So final answer, you should get 36.86 cm. If you guys tekan calculator, sepatutnya dapat yang ni. Okay, you can try and see. Okay, 36.86 centimeter. Alright. Okay, next one guys. Seterusnya. Okay, so for question 8. Question 8 is your Form 5 Chapter 3, guys. Insurance. Am I right? Who don't like this chapter? Siapa tak suka insurance? Kat sini. Insurance, right, guys? Calculation, dia sangat penting. Pengiran. Okay, kertas 2, they always test on calculation. So, kamu kena bagus. Pengiran. Okay? Alright. So, now question is, they tell you annual premium 1,200. Okay, premium tahunan dia 1,200. Yes. But not always follow by book lah, guys. Okay, sometimes they can modify. Okay, so 32 years old, smoker. So what is the value, guys? Can you all tell me? 32 tahun perokok. Encik Adam. So apa kadar dia kat sini? Anyone? 32 years old, smoker. Mr. Adam. This one is a W, by the way. So what is the value, guys? Yeah, nilai dia W lah. Guys, perokok. Okay, see carefully Question tells smoker. Okay, so kamu kena rujuk nilai W lah. Okay, so the formula is annual premium. Premium tahunan sama dengan nilai muka. Face value. Face value is 400,000, guys. 400,000 times with premium rate. Kadar premium dia W. Am I right? Bahagi, divide how much? Divide 1,000. 1,000. Can you guys see that? Jelas? So this is your equation, guys. So kamu selesaikan untuk cari W. That's all. Understand? So your final answer is W is equal to, you should get, let me see, W equal to 3. Okay? Final answer is RM3. Okay guys, understand? Dapat konsep dia? How to solve? Clear? For part A? So just use the formula saja. Guna rumus untuk premium tahunan. Okay, annual premium. Okay, next one. So for part B, the question asks you, why does the premium rate increase for smoker guys? Kenapa kadar premium semakin tinggi bagi perokok? Any one of you guys got answer? This one general knowledge, pengetahuan Yes, correct. Okay, actually any answer also can lah guys. Apa-apa jawapan logik boleh. You can say higher risk to die. Risiko lebih tinggi untuk mati, kan? Okay? Or you guys can say higher risk to be exposed to illness. Kebarangkalian untuk terdedah kepada jangkitan ataupun kesakitan lebih tinggi. Itu pun boleh. Okay, not just for die lah guys. Bukan sekadar mati saja. Tapi penyakit yang lain. Okay, higher risk to other disease also. Okay, so you can see the answer here. This is the answer. Okay, so you will get probability of a smoker being exposed to illness is higher than that of a non-smoker who lives a healthy lifestyle. Okay, kebarangkalian perokok tu terdedah kepada penyakit lebih tinggi berbanding bukan perokok yang mempunyai gaya hidup sehat. Can? No problem. If you guys want to write full sentence also can. Ayat penuh pun boleh. Okay? You cannot answer this question. Yeah, correct. That's why only 1 mark lah guys. 1 markah saja soalan ni. Actually, it's a bonus. Very simple to score this 1 mark. Okay, because common sense. So if you guys got common sense, you guys can answer lah. Okay? Alright. So next one. Part 9. Question 9. Okay, so for this question, composite solid, gabungan pepejal, cone and hemisphere. Okay, so they want you to show, tunjukkan isi padu dia adalah yang ni. Okay, I write for you guys clearly so that you can see. Okay, you guys must show this one. This is the formula. Okay, your common sense works a bit slow. Try to train common sense. Okay, you can train it one. Cuba latih. Okay, so guys, now they talking about cone and hemisphere, right? Okay, so can anyone tell what is the formula for volume of cone? Apa rumus dia? Isi padu cone. Anyone still remember? What is the formula? Kena ingat guys? Isi padu cone. Anyone got idea? How much? What's the formula? Siapa dah lupa rumus isi padu cone? Anyone forget? What is the formula? 2 pi r is for circle, right? No. No. Yes. No. Nelson still wrong. How can just be 1/3 Praveen? I need the complete formula. Yes. Okay, Nani DiCaprio, correct. 1/3 pi r square h. This is the formula for volume of cone, guys. Remember, ini adalah isi padu cone punya rumus. Okay? Alright. Volume of hemisphere. Do you guys still remember? What is the formula? Apa rumus dia? Isi padu hemisfera. This one a bit hard lah. Isi padu hemisfera sedikit susah. Anyone got answer or not? Before I tell. I want the full formula, guys. Saya nak rumus yang penuh. Not just 4/3. Masih tak penuh. Not yet full. Okay. Don't search for the answer, guys. Jangan cari untuk jawapan. Cuba bagi tahu berdasarkan apa yang kamu faham. Okay. For those who say 4/3 pi r cube, right? That is for a sphere, guys. Sfera. Tapi sekarang hemisfera. I say hemisphere. Yes. The answer is 2/3 pi r cube, guys. Okay. Hemisphere. Hemi maksudnya setengah kan? Hemisfera. So setengah daripada isi padu sfera adalah isi padu hemisfera. Faham? Okay, so 1/2 times the volume of sphere is your volume of hemisphere. That's why your answer is 2/3 pi r cube. Do you guys understand that? Faham? So setengah kali 4/3 pi r cube dapat jawapan 2/3 pi r cube. Okay? So yeah, that's the answer. Okay, so now question say that height of cone is 5 times the radius x. Okay? Ketinggian cone adalah 5 kali x. So radius, they already tell you x, right? So you can gantikan with x square, and height is 5 times the radius. So 5x. Okay? 5 kali. And then radius again is x. Okay, so you can put x over here. Yeah, macam ni lah. Okay, can you guys see the concept? How it looks like? Okay, so now you guys just need to plus these two answer. Okay, tambah dua-dua jawapan ni. Okay, so this one, you will actually get 5 over 3 pi x cube. Setuju guys? 5 over 3 pi x cube. So 5 over 3 pi x cube plus 2 over 3 pi x cube. Jawapan dia 7 over 3 pi x cube. Am I right? So kamu dah buktikan. Okay, you guys already shown the formula. Understand guys? Dapat konsep dia? Macam mana buktikan? Can you see? So it's volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, isi padu cone tambah dengan isi padu hemisfera. Okay, so this is the working guys. Jalan kira dia macam ni. Okay, you guys can see here. Part A. Okay. So understand guys? Part A. Can I have some response please? Understand or don't understand? Faham atau tidak? For part A? All can? Good? No problem Okay. If good means continue. Okay, next one. Okay, wait Okay, so for part B. So for part B, they actually talking about, okay, how can we identify yang berapa kali ganda apa tu? Oh, just ikut ayat saja. Okay, dia kata 5 kali ganda kan? 5 kali ganda jejari. Am I right? So, kalau jejari X, ketinggian 5X lah. 5 kali ganda. 5 times. Okay? So, X and also 5X. Nampak? So, just follow the question only. Ikut saja ayat dia. Okay? Alright. So, next one guys. They tell you the volume is 2515 1 over 3. Yes, correct. Okay? So, volume 2515 1 over 3 equal to 7 over 3 pi x cube. Sama dengan jawapan tadi. Okay, because question want you to find the x. Cari nilai x. Okay, so 7 over 3 pi 22 over 7 x cube. So you guys need to solve this equation lah. Selesaikan. So x power 3 equal to 2515 1 over 3 times 3 over 22. Okay, 7 dengan 7 boleh potong. Correct? So x cube equal to how much guys? If you press calculator, you should get 2515 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 3 over 22. Your answer is 343. 343. So x is equal to 7. Am I right? Done. Itu saja. Clear guys? How to solve for part B? Simple? Jelas? So this is the working for part B. Jalan kira. Okay, you guys will get x equal to 7. Okay? Any problem so far? Question 8. Jelas? All okay? Clear? Need some response guys. Clear or not? I need you guys to stay active. Dalam perbincangan ni kena aktif. Okay? Alright. Next one Okay, so question 10. Soalan ke-10. Okay, now we come to locus guys. Okay, anyone over here feel like they weak in locus? Siapa tak faham lagi topik ni? Locus. So this is the question guys. This is lower form. Menengah rendah. Mathematic. Okay? So focus well for those weak in the locus. Okay. So the question is, they ask you to describe the shape of locus. Uraikan bentuk dia. Okay, so they say a point moves at a constant distance from a straight line. So you guys must imagine lah. This is a straight line, garis lurus, and they say a point moves at a constant distance. So you guys need to imagine, how does the locus look like? So how can the point move at a constant distance? Macam mana titik boleh bergerak pada jarak yang sama? Kalau kamu ada dua garis selari kan? If you guys got two parallel line, the distance is always the same. Am I right guys? Kalau kamu ada dua garis yang selari, jarak dia 100% akan sama. Tak kira mana titik tu. Wherever the point is, the distance between the two line is always the same one. Jarak antara titik dengan garisan yang ni adalah sama. Faham? Do you guys see the concept? So the answer for 10A is you describe like this. Okay, you just say a pair of parallel lines. Okay, dua ataupun pasangan garis yang selari. Itu saja. Satu pasangan garis selari. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. Okay, next one. Part B. So for part B, they ask you to start to draw. Kamu kena lukis. Okay. Wait. Okay, so they say for locus X. Okay, so locus is 1.5 meter from BC. Okay, so 1.5 meter dari BC. Okay, so you guys need to draw now lah. Okay, 1.5 meter from BC. So, how does the shape look like, guys? If it's 1.5 meter. Anyone got idea? Now locus X is 1.5 meter from BC. So, macam mana kamu nak lukis? Anyone got idea? Anyone? Come on, think and see. Macam mana bentuk dia nampak? Locus X. You guys must imagine a bit. Kamu kena bayangkan. Dari B ke C tu berapa cm? Soalan tak bagi tahu, guys. Question never tell any info. Tapi kamu tahu sesuatu perkara. 1.5 meter dari BC. So, okay, there is one more thing over here, guys. There is a scale. Cuba nampak. Dia bagi skala. 1 to 100 cm. So, you guys must actually use the scale lah. Okay, kamu kena guna skala. Okay, so if 1 ratio 100, so 1.5 ratio dia 150 kan? Am I right? 150. 150 ni dalam apa, guys? cm kan? Am I right? Because 1.5 meter is 150 cm. Correct? So this scale is actually to convert meter to centimeter. Dia nak tukar dari meter jadi centimeter. So 1.5 meter is 150 cm. Okay? But how you guys want to draw 150 cm? Macam mana nak lukis? Okay, tak perlu lukis 150 cm lah. Okay, kamu just adjust lah. Guna yang 1.5 cm lah. Kalau dia cakap 150 cm, you guna 1.5 cm. Okay, because tadi 1.5 meter kan, so kamu just guna skala dia. Just assume, kamu anggap 1.5 cm tu menggambarkan 1.5 meter. Faham? You must assume that 1.5 cm over here is 1.5 meter. Means in real life, dalam kehidupan sebenar, dia 1.5 meter. Tapi, bila lukis dalam lukisan berskala, 1.5 centimeter. Faham? Do you guys get the concept? Because how you guys want to draw 1.5 meter in real life? Am I right? Macam mana nak lukis 1.5 meter kat sini? Tak boleh kan? Kertas kamu pun bukan 1 meter. Am I right? Your maths exam paper is not even 1 meter. So, kamu kena adjust skala dia lah. Okay, main dengan unit. Faham tak? So, bentuk dia akan macam ni, guys. You must understand. So, this is how your distance will always be the same, guys. Jarak dia selalu akan sama. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. So, it actually form an arc. Kamu ada lengkok. Understand? Can you guys imagine? So, it's always 1.5 meter from BC. Understand, guys? Clear? Respond, please. Jelas atau tidak? Wah, you guys so silent lah. Sangat diam. Kenapa lengkok tu dari B ke C? Sebab soalan kata lengkok X, locus X tu adalah dari BC. 1.5 meter dari BC. Faham tak? So kamu kena hubungkan B dan C lah. Okay? Faham? Okay? 1.5 meter dari BC. Itu adalah itu adalah locus X. Okay? So kamu label X lah untuk yang ni. This is X. Okay? And then Y. Macam mana nak dapat Y? Okay, so they say locus of smoke detector is 5 meter from corner B. 5 meter from corner B. So, they say 5 meter. So, kamu kena fikirlah macam mana boleh 5 meter. Okay. So macam mana dia akan nampak? Okay, it will actually look like a straight line lah guys. Sat. Wait lah guys. Sorry. Part A lah guys. Part A, saya kena lukis garis lurus. Sorry ya, saya buat silap. Okay, part A is actually like this. 1.5 meter. Baru dia jarak sama. Sebab dia kata BC. So C pun termasuk. Okay, you must include point C also. So locus X is actually a straight line. Understand lah guys. Sorry ya, just now saya terangkan yang silap. Okay, so actually X is a straight line. So kamu nampak jarak dia selalu sama dari BC. Faham? It's always the same length. Okay, lepas tu yang Y 5 meter dari B kan. They say 5 meters from B. So dia akan lengkok. Faham? It will become an arc. So that selalunya 5 meters. Dari mana pun always 5 meters. Okay? Understand guys? Do you get the concept? Jelas? So where is the intersection guys? This is the intersection point. Ini adalah titik persilangan. Okay, so you just label the intersection point with X. Usually in locus, right guys, they will ask you to mark the intersection point with X. Okay, biasanya dia akan suruh tandakan dengan X. So you just tandalah titik persilangan dengan X. Okay, understand guys this whole question? Do you understand locus now? Jelas how it works like? So this is how locus is. Okay, so you guys just need to imagine lah. Okay, your imagination skill must be good for locus. Then you can draw. Okay, and one more thing guys, locus, make sure you guys bring your compass. Okay, kamu kena bawa jangka lukis. Faham? Semua tahu tak macam mana jangka lukis nampak? You guys know right? Compass. The two things yang macam ni. Lepas tu kamu akan lukis bulatan. Okay, you will draw a circle using the compass. So make sure kamu bawa yang tu. Okay, all these things right guys. You see the arc? Cuba nampak lengkok ni. You guys need to draw using compass. Kena guna alat yang tu. Then only accurate. Okay? Understand? No problem? Okay, so next one. Question 11. Okay, so now section B jadi guys. Bahagian B. Okay, so this question is matrix. Form 5 chapter 2. Matrix. Siapa tak suka matrix? Anyone? Who don't like matrix? Over here. Matrix actually is a very famous topic for section B guys. I can tell you that. Okay, section B they like to ask matrix. Suka sangat tanya. Okay, so you guys must know how to do. Okay, so they ask you to find matrix B kan. So you guys just need to solve for matrix B. So this one saya bawa ke sini. So minus lah. Okay, I just tolak. So you will get like this. So negative 3B is equal to negative 6, negative 9, 3, negative 12. Do you all understand this step over here? Semua faham langkah ni? Just normal subtraction lah guys. Penolakan biasa. And then B is equal to negative 1 over 3, negative 6, negative 9, 3, negative 12. So jawapan dia 2, 3, negative 1, 4. Understand guys? How I get the answer for B? Jelas? So that's all. Itu saja. This is how you solve matrix. Simple, right? That's all. Okay, next one. So for part B, they ask you, show that it has no inverse matrix. It has an inverse matrix. Macam mana tunjukkan dia ada matrix songsang? Anyone? What is the concept? Kena kira apa? Inverse matrix. So you must find, yes, you must find AD minus BC guys. Kamu kena cari nilai ni. Okay, so it's 3 times negative 3 minus 2 times negative 4. So the answer is negative 1, right guys? So negative 1 is not equal to 0. Correct? So AD minus BC not equal to 0. That's why you have inverse matrix. Understand? Kalau tak sama dengan kosong, kamu ada matrix songsang. Clear? So this is how you guys prove. That's all. Just find this value sudah cukup. Cari nilai yang tu saja. Okay? All right. And then part C. Hey, wait. Hey, part C never come. Wah, saya tak masuk. It's okay lah. Okay, part C is actually simultaneous only lah, guys. Okay, just simultaneous equation. Persamaan serentak. Oh, wait. Nak tengok soalan satu. Yang ni. Yang ni ke? Okay. All right. So for question C, I didn't put the question inside. Sorry. So you guys just see directly the answer lah, guys. Okay. Actually, it's just simultaneous. Find your x and y saja. Okay. So these are the two equations actually. Based on the question, you will get these two equations. Inilah persamaan dia. So you guys just convert to matrix form, and then you guys must solve simultaneous using matrix. Okay. Guna kaedah matrix. You guys understand, right? How to solve simultaneous using matrix. So inilah konsep dia. 1 over AD minus BC D A negative B negative C. This is the formula, guys, for inverse matrix. Okay, matrix songsang, rumus dia. Okay, so they actually just apply the formula lah, guna rumus dia. I hate when you need to make the equation. It's not hard one. It's very simple. The question is very direct one. Trust me, it's not hard. The question will say like example. I show you guys how the question will tell. The question will say the number of brand P facial cleanser is 1/3 of the number of brand Q facial cleanser. Macam tu lah. Or they say facial brand Q cleanser is 3 times facial brand P cleanser. Understand? Okay, so that's how you can get the equation over here lah. Dapat macam tu. Okay. Just avoid careless, guys. Other than that, it's very simple. Senang saja. Okay, just elakkan kesilapan cuai. Okay, don't make careless mistake. Okay, so you will get the answer 9 and also 3. Okay, 9 and 3. Alright. Okay, so next question guys. Question 12. Okay, so question 12, guys. Your favorite, plan and elevation. Who don't like? Siapa tak suka? Plan dan dongakan. This question guys. Careful lah. Hati-hati. Okay, this question always a lot of marks one. You can see 9 markah, one question. Okay, so you must know how to draw. Okay, kamu kena tahu macam mana lukis. Okay, so very simple. They say from X and from Y. Okay, so for X, guys, X is front, plan, or side. Okay, I teach you guys how to do the question. Okay, so for X, yang ni hadapan, sisi, atau plan. Cuba nampak. What you guys think? Front elevation, side elevation, or plan? Okay, this one is actually, let me see. This one is actually front, guys. Okay, you guys must imagine this is front, hadapan, pandangan, hadapan. Okay, and then this one, Y. What is Y? Yes. Okay, Y is actually side elevation. Okay, dongakan sisi. Alright. Yang ni dongakan hadapan. Okay. Alright. So you just need to draw X and Y. They already give you the. Oh, never mind. We direct see the answer. Okay. So for plan you no need to draw. Okay, plan. The question will already give you these guys. Yang ni soalan bagi. Okay, so you guys no need to draw. Okay, and then this one also soalan bagi. The angle already give you. Okay, so you guys just need to draw front and side. Okay, hadapan dan sisi. So this one is front, this one is side. Okay, the consecutive line will give marks. Which one? You mean this one? This line? Yes, this one is called as construction line. Okay, in English, construction line. Or garis binaan dalam bian. Okay, basically is to combine all the elevation lah, guys. Okay, the construction line is for you to connect the plan to the front to the side. Dia nak hubungkan semua dongakan sisi, hadapan dan plan. Okay, yes, got two options, guys. You can either draw like this 45 or you can draw like this 45. So you can have two answers, guys. Dua jawapan. But sometimes the question will fix for you. Dia akan tetapkan, dia bagi macam ni kat kamu. So kamu kena tahu urutan dia macam ni. Plan, front, side. Okay? Plan, front, side. Okay, this is the order guys. Remember. Okay? Plan, hadapan, CC. Okay? And then this one, plan, front, side. Okay? Plan, hadapan, CC. Okay? Ingat dah guys, yang ni. If you guys want to take picture, make sure you take picture. Okay? Kalau nak ambil gambar, coba ambil dulu. Okay? So that you guys will remember how is the order. Cannot change the order guys. Tak boleh tukar urutan Mesti macam ni. Is fixed one. Tetap. Okay? Understand? Okay, so for the front elevation guys, dongakan hadapan. Okay, how do you guys actually imagine? Okay, you guys can see this shape over here, right? Can you all see this? Boleh nampak tak bentuk yang ni? So you guys can actually draw this already. Correct? Yang ni datang dari sini kan? Can you guys see? Sama. Can you see? Exactly the same. So this is actually front elevation. Kedongakan hadapan. But you must take note, you also got this shape. Am I right guys? So actually you got two shapes. Rectangle and also the other shape lah. Okay, segi empat tepat dan satu lagi bentuk. Okay, so you guys can see, you will draw like this. Can you see guys? Exactly the same. 100% sama. Can you see that? Front elevation. Dongakan hadapan. And then, okay, the labeling, right guys? The labeling you can just follow over here. Ikut label there. You just follow the label. Everything over here. Okay? And then, for side elevation, dongakan CC. Okay, so for side elevation, you must imagine. Okay. Okay, can you guys see this one? You can see this big rectangle, right? Cuba nampak. Okay, and then, kamu nampak tak? Dia bahagi macam ni. Nampak tak? Garis yang ni. Wait, kadang-kadang benda macam ni, kamu kena hati-hati. Okay, because it's very detailed one. Okay, so macam ni, macam ni, macam ni. Can you guys see that? And then, kamu ada garis. You have a line J, sat. J, okay, this one. Akan ada garis macam ni. Okay? Wait, wait. Like this, like this. Okay guys, can you see that? Cuba nampak. This is your side elevation. Dongakan CC. So basically, you just need to imagine you compress the shape guys. Kamu mampatkan bentuk ni dari kanan ke kiri. Apa yang kamu akan nampak? Kamu akan nampak yang hitam. Faham tak? Can you guys see that? All of you can imagine this? Yes or no? Boleh bayangkan tak? Macam mana saya dapat? So this is how you guys get the answer. Okay? So you guys can see over here. This is your final answer. Jawapan akhir. Okay. Why this one is dotted guys? Can you all tell me? Kenapa yang ni ada garis putus-putus? Anyone? What is the reason? Kenapa? Yang lain semua garis tebal. Yang ni garis putus-putus. Kenapa? Yes, correct. Okay, the reason is because you cannot see it guys. Kamu tak boleh nampak dia. That is the reason. If you cannot see anything from the side view, dari dongakan CC tak boleh nampak, kamu kena letak titik. Okay, so actually the diagram already show you guys one. Can you see over here guys? It's already dotted. Raja sudah bagi putus-putus. So, kamu salin sajalah. Ikut dia. Okay? No need to cry one. You must try more exercise guys. Kamu kena buat lebih banyak latihan plan dan dongakan. Try to practice draw many different questions. Then you will become better. Labeling, yes. If you guys label, must be accurate. Kalau kamu label semua yang ni, semua huruf yang ni kena tepat. 100% kena sama. Semua yang ni. Okay? Take note guys. Must be accurate one. Okay? Alright. So another thing, remember to also draw your construction line guys. Kamu kena lukis semua garis yang nipis ni. Yang kamu nampak. Can you see that guys? You must draw all your construction line. So construction line basically it connect all the objects lah guys. Dia hubungkan semua plan dan dongakan. Okay, just connect all your plan and elevation together. Okay, are you guys clear with this? And make sure doa using ruler guys. Kena guna pembaris sahaja. Okay, pembaris dan pensel. Okay, any problem? This question? Can I have some feedback? Clear or not clear? I need some response. Jelas atau tidak? Clear. Okay, very good. Make sure you guys just try more question. Then you will become better. Okay, kamu cuba lebih soalan, kamu akan jadi lebih bagus. Okay, alright. So, start dari basic. Kalau kamu rasa kamu punya basic lemah, kamu fokus basic dulu. Tapi kalau kamu rasa basic sudah okay ataupun sudah kuat, kamu buat partial. Okay, depend on your condition guys. Different people, different condition. Okay, setiap orang dia kat tahap berbeza sekarang. Am I right? So jangan ikut kawan. Don't follow your friend. Okay, you see your friend do trial paper. You also do trial paper. Am I right? Okay, kamu ikut kawan, dia buat soalan percubaan, kamu juga buat. Tapi kamu tak tahu. Kamu punya aras tak sama guys. Your level is not the same one. So if your basic tak kukuh, kamu pergi buat trial paper, pasti tak boleh buat. Am I right? So if your guys basic not good, don't straight away go and do trial paper. Focus your lower form, focus your basic. Yes, same also for admits. Same concept. Okay? Your basic is very important, guys. Okay? Alright. So next one. So for this one, guys, they ask you to complete the Venn diagram. Kamu kena lengkapkan gambar wajah Venn. Okay, so B is a subset of A. Okay. Wait. Okay. So you guys can see the answer here lah. Okay, B is a subset of A and C, A intercept C is null set. Okay, this one is actually called as null set or empty set. Dalam BM set kosong. Okay, so set kosong maksudnya tak ada persilangan lah guys. There is no intersection between A and C. That's why you get null set. Okay, understand? So you can see A and C is separate. Dia tak ada hubungan. And then they say B is a subset of A. So B subset A means that B must be inside A lah guys. Okay, bulatan B kena di dalam bulatan A. Do you guys get the concept for this one? All of you clear for this part? Understand the meaning over here? Can? Boleh ya? Understand. Okay, next one. So now the question says shade the set A intercept B prime. Okay, so B prime, semua yang ni lah guys. B prime is every single thing. All the thing over here is B prime. Setuju? Maksudnya kecuali B lah. And then intercept A. Kamu nak silang dengan A. So, you guys must only shade this one lah. Am I right? Kamu kena lorek yang hijau saja. Correct? Because A intercept B prime. Understand guys? Jelas how to shade the set? Can? Respond? Oh, you guys so silent. Can I scared you know when you guys never respond. I scared you don't understand. Saya ingat kamu tak faham kalau senyap. So make sure kamu respond. Okay? Can Okay, so next one. So for part B. So part B kamu kena kira lah guys. You must start to count. Okay, so they say got 40 people in class 5 Cempaka. Ada 40 orang pelajar. Okay. And they say the number of people who take prinsip perakaunan sahaja ialah X. Okay, so prinsip perakaunan. Okay, so prinsip perakaunan A lah. So yang ni adalah X sahaja. Only account. So it's X. And then they say tidak ambil dua-dua subjek. Y. Okay, so Y never take both of the subject. So you must put here lah guys, kat luar. Okay, so yeah, you just need to complete the Venn diagram. Okay, so over here guys, what is the answer? Can you all tell me? Apa jawapan dia kat sini? Anyone got idea? What is the answer? No, bukan. You must be careful guys. 40 is your total. 40 adalah jumlah. So, if you guys want to fill in this one, it must be 40 minus 3x minus y. Am I right? 2x plus x plus y. 3x plus y. So 40 minus 3x plus y. So it's 40 minus 3x minus y. Total, tolak yang lain lah. Understand? Because total kamu kena dapat 40. Okay? So this is the concept. Alright? Okay, so next one. Part B2. So for part B2, let me see. Okay, so they tell you the number of people who take principal accountant only is 7 people. Yang ambil accounts 7. So means that X equals 7 lah. Correct. So yang ni boleh ganti dengan 7. And then bilangan pelajar mengambil subjek biologi sahaja. Only biology 16. So they tell you only bio 16. So maksudnya yang ni 16 lah. Am I right? Okay, so X equal to 7 kan? So you guys can substitute. X equals 7. So Y is equal to how much? You should get 4. Am I right? 4. Y equal to 4. Okay, and the question say hitung pelajar yang tidak mengambil perakaunan dan biologi. Okay, so they want you to count Y lah. That doesn't take A or B. Don't want both. Okay, so the answer is Y equal to 4. Understand guys? Jelas? All of you? Sorry. It's 3, not 4. I count wrongly. 3. Okay? Understand? Clear? Very simple lah guys. Straightforward, right? So the most important thing is you must master the Venn diagram. Kalau kuasai gambar aja Venn, senang. Very simple. Okay? So next one. Question number 14. Okay, so question 14 is on financial management guys. Pengurusan kewangan. Do you guys still remember this chapter? Masih ingat tak? Form 4 bab 10. Okay, Form 4 chapter 10 is financial management guys. Okay, so let's see the question. Easy Okay, let's see. Okay, so question say, calculate the variable expenses. Perbelanjaan tidak tetap. Okay, so which one is tidak tetap here guys? Can you all tell me? Which one is variable expenses? Just type the name for me. Which one? So first one, fixed or variable? May I know? Housing loan installment, tetap atau berubah? This one is fixed guys, so F lah. Yeah. And then whenever you guys see installment, right? Always fix one. Okay? Yes. Okay, this one, telephone, internet bill. It's on common sense. Are you sure fixed guys? Guys, if fixed, right? I can only tell you call one person one time. Then only can be fixed, right? Kalau saya kata bil telefon internet tetap, kamu hanya boleh guna satu waktu, means waktu lain kamu tutup. Kamu tak call siapa-siapa pun. Setiap bulan kena macam tu. Boleh tak guys macam tu? Macam robot. Am I right? Means that only on 3rd May, I can use the telephone, something like that. The 3rd of every month. And the hour also must be the same guys. Am I right? Jam yang kamu cakap pun kena sama. Then only the value will be the same. Impossible lah guys. Okay? So that's why it's variable. Okay, this one petrol. Petrol. Fixed or variable? Fixed is variable, right? Tidak tetap. Nelson? How can petrol be tetap? Wow. Okay. If you say petrol tetap, right? Means that I go Penang to KL. And then I go Penang to Perak. The value is the same, is it? Nilai sama ke? Confirm different lah guys. Every single month will be different one. Unless you just go the same place every single time lah guys. Kalau kamu selalu pergi tempat sama setiap bulan, then okay lah. Dia tetap. Tapi takkan. You guys will go different place, right? Every single month. Logic. Okay? Yeah. Okay, food. This one you guys careful lah. Hati-hati, fixed or variable. Very smart. Pandai. Confirm variable. If I say fixed, you guys starve for one day. Kamu kena puasa. Kalau saya kata tetap. Okay? Okay, next one. Vacation. Vacation fixed or variable, guys? Very good. Variable. Okay, this one. Electric and water bill. Fixed or variable? Yes, also variable guys. Tidak tetap. Okay, this one, parents. Careful. Hati-hati. Fixed or variable? Fixed Nelson. Are you sure fixed? Of course variable guys. Variable. This one they are talking about allowance. Allowance. If allowance is fixed to the parents, then how guys? Impossible, right? Yeah, you can give them more, right? So that's why it's variable. Understand? Based on the question lah, Dave. Just follow the question. Question say 800, you accept 800. Okay? Okay, remember guys, allowance for parents is always variable. Okay, allowance in BM, I forget what's the term lah. Saya pun dah lupa. What is allowance guys? BM? I also forget tadi. Duit belanja. Allowance. Correct, right? Allowance bagi ibu bapa. Dia tidak tetap. Okay? So next one. So basically you just need to plus all these values lah guys. Tambah semua nilai ni. You guys will get the answer for part 1. Itu saja. Okay? Duit ibu bapa as variable but I got wrong. Really? Are you sure? Okay. Sometimes right guys, these parents, right, is a bit controversial. Okay, this allowance for parents sometimes is fixed, sometimes is variable. Do you know that? Kadang-kadang allow ni dia boleh jadi tetap, dia boleh jadi tidak tetap juga. So it depends on the question. It really depends one. But most of the time, kebanyakan kali yang ni adalah tidak tetap lah. Most of the time variable. Okay, sometimes only fixed. Okay, so it depends on the question. Alright. Okay. So next one, they ask you calculate and state Mikhail's cash flow. Nyatakan aliran tunai. Okay, so aliran tunai, how to count guys? Okay, so basically you take your total income minus expenses. Okay, ambil pendapatan tolak perbelanjaan. Okay, so you guys must minus all of this lah. Tolak semua yang ni. This one also minus. Okay, and don't forget to minus this one also guys, because he say he saved 10%. So 10% times 10,000. Apa nilai dia? You guys will get 1,000. So minus 1,000 also, because yang ni dia simpan. Okay, so the working jalan kira is like this. Okay, so you guys will actually get a positive cash flow. Aliran tunai positive. Please keluar this topic for SPM. Will keluar one. Don't worry. Surely keluar one. So you can see you minus all these values. Kena tolak semua. Okay? Okay, so next one. Okay, so now they say Mikhail wants to buy his motorcycle, guys. Motorcycle or computer riba? Never mind lah. Okay, as long the price 7,000. Okay, so 7,000, they say how many months, guys? Berapa bulan dia perlu? So how to find this? Macam mana cari? Anyone got idea? The total cost is 7,000. So, what should I do? How to find the number of months? Bilangan bulan. Come on. Think and see, guys. Cuba fikir. Total is 7,000. So, how? You must take note. This one is your monthly cash flow, right, guys? Aliran tunai bulanan. So, anyone got idea? Total is 7,000. He needs 7,000. Dia perlu jumlah yang ni. No need trial and error, guys. No need. You just take 7,000 divide 1430. Am I right, guys? Faham tak? 7,000 bahagi aliran tunai dia lah. Because this one is for 1 month, guys. You must remember, nilai ni untuk 1 bulan. Faham tak? So, kalau saya ambil jumlah bahagi nilai 1 bulan, saya dapat bilangan bulan lah. I will get the number of months. Am I right? Because the monthly cash flow is the same every single month. Nilai yang ni sama untuk January, February, March, April sampai December. Faham tak? Okay? Yes. So you actually will get 5 months over here. Yes. Okay, you guys kena bundakan lah 4.8. So the answer is 5. Okay? Understand? So this is how you guys solve for B1. Simple, right? So that is the concept. Okay? All right. So next one. So next question, they ask you determine the type of financial goal. Jenis matlamat kewangan. So what do you guys think? What is the type? Anyone still remember? How many types do we have, guys? Berapa jenis kita ada? 7,000 dari soalan. Can you see? Is the price of the thing you want to buy. Jumlah harga dia. Okay? So guys, part 2, type of financial goal. Anyone? What is the type? How to answer this? Part 2. What is the type? Fikir. Jenis matlamat kewangan. Anyone? Bukan yang tu. Okay, remember guys, when questions say type of financial goal, right? Got two type. One is short term. One is long term. Remember now guys, jangka pendek, jangka panjang. So guys, how to know jangka pendek or jangka panjang? Anyone? What is the characteristic? Yes, if more than 5 years is long, less than 1 year is short. Correct? 1 tahun lebih kurang pendek. Okay, kalau lebih dari 5 tahun panjang. So over here, your answer is 5 months, right guys? 5 bulan. Correct? So it's jangka pendek lah. Okay, because it's kurang setahun. Less than 1 year. Because 5 months. So it's short term. Okay? Understand? That's all lah. Itu saja question 14. Simple, right? Financial management. Can score 1, guys. This topic. Easy to score. Okay, next one. So next one is linear inequalities, guys. Ketaksamaan linear. Your form 4, chapter 6. Okay? This one also easy to score. Especially the graph. Okay, so this question. The question not so clear. Okay, this one is negative 2, 0. This one is 1, 8, if not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, correct. Okay, so guys, what is the symbol I must put over here? Greater than, equal, or less than? Mana yang betul untuk yang ni? Next class, for form 4 or form 5? You're asking. Greater. Okay, yes, correct. The symbol over here should be greater, guys, because y is equal to 8, 2x plus 5 is 21 plus 5. Because x sama dengan 1. So nilai ni 7. So 8 is greater than 7. Okay? And then the second one, guys, yang kedua. Are you inside my WhatsApp group? Shah, Izarin? You must be inside. Okay, if not inside, anyone not inside, you guys just PM my number over here. Okay, you guys can join the WhatsApp group. Just PM, kamu nak join lah. Okay, WhatsApp group saya. Sebab saya akan share jawapan kat sini. Okay, alright. So guys, second one. Susah nak dapat reply from you. Really maybe I never see your message yet. Okay, because ada banyak orang. So you guys must understand. Alright. Okay, so next one. What is the symbol, guys? This one. Apa symbol dia? Greater than, equal, or less than? Yes, the answer is less than. Okay, because 0 is less than 2 times negative 2 plus 5. This is 1. So 0 is less than 1. Okay, all right. So next one. Okay, so this question, they ask you to write the inequalities, guys. Kamu kena tulis ketaksamaan. Okay, so they say X male, Y female. Okay, and then they say total not more than 12. Okay, jumlah bilangan tidak lebih daripada 12. Okay, so how to write the inequality, guys? May I know? Macam mana ketaksamaan dia? Tidak lebih daripada 12. So what is the symbol? Not more than. Apa simbol dia? Tidak lebih daripada the total. Yes. Okay, that is the answer. Correct. Okay, so when you guys see not more than, it is X plus Y less than or equal to 12. This is the answer, guys. Okay, the symbol is less than or equal to. Lebih kurang atau sama dengan. Okay, and then the second one, the number of male is at most 2 times the female. Okay, yang lelaki tu 2 kali. Selebih-lebihnya 2 kali perempuan. So how to write, guys, the inequality? Macam mana tulis? Lelaki is X, perempuan Y. So selebih-lebihnya, apa simbol dia? At most. Yeah. Okay, so your symbol will be like this, guys. Okay, this is the second answer. X less than or equal to 2Y. This is for selebih-lebihnya, at most. Okay, understand? So from here, you guys just need to draw your graph. Kamu kena lukis graph, bagi dua-dua yang ni. Okay, so you guys can see the answer over here. This is your graph. So basic concept lah, guys. Lukis graph saja. Okay, so you just find your y-intercept, find your x-intercept, should be enough already. And then you just find a random point. Apa-apa titik pun boleh. Okay, so then you can draw the straight line and then you shade the region. Okay, lorek kawasan dia. Okay, so this one is less than or equal to 12. So you shade down, lebih kurang atau sama dengan. And then this one you guys must be careful lah. Kena hati-hati. Okay, this one is less than or equal to 2y, right? But remember, you must always arrange in y equal to mx plus c, guys. Ingat, ketaksaman tu nak tentukan kawasan berlorek, y equal mx plus c. Okay, if you want to determine shaded region, it must be in this format. You cannot direct see the shaded region from this format. Understand? Common mistake, guys. So that's why you actually must shade on top, lorek ke atas. Okay, so that's why the common region is over here lah, guys. Okay, yang serupa, kamu lorekkan. Okay, understand, guys? Do you get the concept? Jelas? So this is how you answer graph. Okay, very easy to score lah, guys. Graph. Okay, next one. They ask you to calculate the maximum number of female. So female is Y, perempuan. And they say got 4 male, 4 lelaki. So X is equal to 4. So you guys just draw a line, X equal to 4. Wait, Okay, so you draw a line, X equal 4. So I rub all this. Okay, so you guys can see that the line will actually touch 8. Okay, jawapan dia adalah 8, guys. Can you guys see that? The highest point lah, guys, because the question say maximum. Maximum untuk perempuan. So the answer is 8. Yang 2Y macam mana tahu the line stop there? Oh, you guys can extend the line, no problem. Kalau kamu nak panjangkan garis ni, boleh. No problem, guys. Okay, if you guys want to keep on drawing, can. But no benefit lah, guys. Tak ada apa-apa manfaat. You guys draw like this also can. Okay, just depend on you. Okay, it's not right and not wrong. Kalau lukis macam ni. Okay, understand? So this question, all of you clear? Yes or no? Come on, I need some feedback. Jelas atau tak soalan ni? Can, Okay, next one. Now we come to section C, guys. Okay, so for section C, you guys need to do only one question. Satu soalan. Okay, so can you guys tell me which question do you want me to discuss? Yang mana nak bincang? Okay, so I show you guys the question. This one is question 16, 16. Okay, and then this one is question 17, 17. So you guys tell me which question do you guys want? I will only discuss one, guys, because I want to teach objective also. Saya nak bincang objective juga. So you guys just choose one. Pilih satu. Which one is harder for you? 16 or 17? Which one you want? I follow majority, guys. 16 atau 17? Find the hardest according to you. To me, both also okay lah. 16. Okay, so we do 16 lah. Majority 16 lah. Okay, so we do 16. All right. So for question 16, okay, so you must remember, guys, section C, they can combine a lot of topics. Dia boleh gabung banyak topik for section C. Okay, so you can see over here, part A is actually simultaneous equation, persamaan serentak. Is it your side? I think your side, right? My side is still okay. Okay, so they say got two bottle, guys, A and B. They say the difference of the volume is 400. Beza isi padu 400. So you guys can use X and Y lah. Okay, so X is the volume for A and Y is the volume for B. Okay, kamu kena buat anggapan lah. X2 isi padu botol A, Y2 isi padu botol B. Okay, so means that they say B is larger than A. Correct? Isi padu botol B lebih besar daripada A. So is Y minus X equal to 400. Do you guys understand this first equation? All of you? Semua faham? Macam mana saya dapat nombor 1? Yes or no? So this is the first equation. All right, second one. So second one, you see over here, total volume 18A and 15B 25,800. Dia cakap pasal jumlah 18A, 15B 25,800. So 18X plus 15Y equal to 25,800. Second equation, persamaan kedua. So you guys use substitution lah, penggantian. Okay, you substitute this one inside here. Y equal to 400 plus X. You gantikan lah. Then you cari X and Y. Itu saja. Okay, so this is the final answer. So your answer is X equal 600, Y equal to 1000. Okay, simple right guys? Question A. Senang kan? I think it's quite straightforward for question A. Alright? Just simultaneous only. Persamaan serentak. Okay, next one. Question B. Okay, so now they ask you about mean and standard deviation. Okay, mean dan sisian piawai. Okay, so mean is very simple. You just plus everything, tambah semua, and then you divide the total frequency, jumlah kekerapan. So what is the jumlah kekerapan here, guys? Can you tell me? Divide what? Bagi berapa? What is the value? Divide how much? So you take the total jumlah. Yeah, 8 workers. Can you see guys? 8 orang pekerja. So bagi 8 lah. Okay, so your final answer is 250 over 8. Ini jawapan dia for mean. Okay, and then standard deviation, sisian piawai, you just need to use the formula lah guys. Okay, I show you guys. This is the formula. Almost there. Okay, you just can find the formula in front of your maths paper. Okay, this formula given guys. Almost ni diberi, so tak payah hafal. Okay, so basically you just take everything, you square it and plus. Okay, so the formula actually look like this for standard deviation. Have you guys seen this formula? All of you? Pernah nampak? This is for standard deviation, sisian piawai. Okay, so this one is mean. So kamu ganti jawapan tadi 31.25. This one total frequency, jumlah kekerapan 8. So final answer 7.79. Okay, simple right? Quite straightforward. Okay, 7.79. Okay, next one. So for question B2, the question say mean and standard deviation after 5 years. Selepas 5 tahun. So guys, does it change or not? The value. Adakah nilai dia berubah? Yes or no? They say after 5 years. Selepas 5 tahun. So how? Tambah umur, yes. Okay, the umur will actually change guys. So basically is plus 5 lah. Every single data kamu kena tambah 5. So guys, if plus 5, which one is affected? Mean or standard deviation? Kalau saya tambah 5, mana yang akan terpengaruh? Mean atau sisian piawai? Yes, only mean guys. Remember, hanya mean saja akan berubah. Okay, sisian piawai tak akan berubah. Ingat, okay, only mean is affected by plus or minus. Remember this. Standard deviation only affected by times or divide. Darab atau bahagi saja akan mempengaruhi sisian piawai. Understand? Do you guys get the concept? So plus and minus always mean. Okay, so kamu kena tambah 5 lah. Okay, just now your mean answer is 31.25, right? So you just plus 5. So your answer become 36.25. Okay, 31.25 plus 5. And then this one is the same. Masih sama. It doesn't change one. Okay, get the concept guys? So you don't need to show any calculation. This one is fact question. Soalan fakta. So jangan pergi kira pula. You guys no need to count one by one. Okay, just direct bagi jawapan untuk nombor 2. Okay. All right. Next one. So now they say what is the measure of central tendency to determine the age? Apa sukatan dia? This one is Form 4 Chapter 8 guys. Form 4 bab 8. Okay. Ungroup data. Data yang tak terkumpul. Okay. All right. So what measure will you use guys? What you guys think? You see the age over here. So apa sukatan yang kamu guna? Okay guys, when question asks you what measure, right? Only got two answer. Remember, median, interquartile range. Kamu ada median ataupun jumlah antara kuartil saja untuk pilih. Kalau soalan tanya sukatan kecenderungan memusat. Measure of central tendency only got two choice. Remember. So if you see this data, right guys, you see you have a value 51. This value is called as, no. This value is called as extreme value. Do you all still remember the meaning of extreme value? Nilai extreme means that it's a value that is out from the data, like an outlier. Because you see your data 24 until 31, suddenly got 51. Dia melonjak sangat tinggi. So this is what you call as extreme value. So extreme value, you always use median, guys. That's the concept. If no extreme value, you use interquartile range. Kalau tak ada nilai ekstrim, julat antara kuartil. Kalau ada nilai ekstrim, median. Ingat. Okay? So the reason is, the answer is because the worker's age has extreme value, 51. Ini sebab dia. Okay? Understand guys? Hopefully this can refresh some of the concept you learn in Form 4. Boleh ulang kaji sikit. Okay? Remember? Alright. So next one. We come to trigo guys. So for this question, this one is your lower form trigo. Okay, so they ask you find the length of the ladder. Cari panjang tangga. So how to find guys? Macam mana cari panjang yang ni? Anyone? Very simple. Senang saja. So you guys must use a trigo formula. So you guys will use cos, sine, or tangent. Which one? You got 1.5 meters. No, not tangent. Yes, the answer is cos guys. Cos 75 equal to adjacent, bersebelahan, bahagi, hypotenuse. Oh, this is trial question guys. Soalan percubaan. So that's why they actually take from trial question one. Okay, so H is actually 1.5 over cos 75. So jawapan dia, you should get 5.796 meter. Okay, this is your length of ladder, panjang tangga. Okay, all right. And then next one, they ask you calculate the height of the wall, tinggi dinding. Okay, so tinggi dinding yang ni lah guys, total. So must plus 1.4. So you need to know this one. So this one, you guys use sine, cos, or tangent. May I know? Mana yang kamu guna? Very straightforward. Anyone? Sin, cos, or tan? Okay. Yeah, you can use tangent also. No problem. So tangent 75 is equal to opposite, bertentangan, bahagi, bersebelahan. Tangent and sine also, yes. Both dua-dua can. So opposite is actually 1.5 tangent 75. So 1.5 tangent 75, you plus with 1.4. So then you get the height of the wall. Panjang dinding. Okay, so your final answer is actually this one. Okay, final answer is 7. 7. Okay, are you guys clear? So basically this is question 16 lah guys. Soalan 16. I think you guys can score full mark, right? Not so difficult, right? This 15 mark. I rasa boleh dapat markah penuh. Okay, not that hard. Alright? Okay, so now we direct go to objective guys. Paper 1. Okay, so for objective, right? I won't discuss all question. Saya pun tak tahu TP berapa, but it's quite rendah lah guys. It's quite straightforward. Okay? Alright. So for objective kan guys, saya akan bincang soalan yang kamu suruh saya bincang saja. Okay, I will only discuss the question you guys want. Okay? Oh, betul, you almost dead. Oh my god. Decimal point. Oh, titik perpuluhan. 3. Soalan bagi tahu 3 tadi. So 3 decimal place. Alright? You just follow the question guys. If question say 3, you follow 3. By question never tell anything, soalan tak bagi apa-apa, then up to you lah. Bergantung. Maybe 2 also can. Usually 2 lah guys. 2 DP. Or you can put 3 DP also can. No problem. Depend. Alright. Okay. So guys, you see these 3 questions. Any questions you want me to discuss over here? Soalan 1, 2, 3. Ada apa-apa soalan yang kamu nak saya bincang tak? You just tell me the number. I won't discuss everything. Saya tak bincang semua. Yang senang kita tak bincang. Just tell me the question that you feel hard. Yang kamu susah saja. Okay, 2 and 3 ya. Okay, so for question 2, this one is the index law. Okay, so basically you just need to expand lah guys. Kembangkan. So just kembangkan kuasa ke dalam. Expand the power inside times h power negative 4 k power 3 over 3 power 2 h power 2 k power 2 times 2. So you will get h k times h power negative 4 k power 3 over 9 h square k power 4. Okay, so you guys can see index law guys, hukum index, you see k power 1 plus k power 3 is k power 4, right? And then h times h power negative 4 is h power negative 3, right? 1 plus negative 4. Okay, kalau asal sama, kuasa boleh tambah. Kalau darab. Okay, same base, power plus if times over 9h square, k power 4. So these two cut. So your answer is 1 over 9 h power negative 5. So your answer is A. Okay guys, jelas how I get the answer? So the answer is A. Jawapan dia A. Okay, no problem. Question 2, jelas? So I can write this also like this. 1 over 9 h power 5. Sama lah. Okay, alright. Question 3. So for question 3, they ask you E union G prime. Kesatuan. Okay, so for G prime semua yang ni kan di luar bulatan G. Other than G is G prime. And then union with E. So union dengan E. So what is the answer? Okay, so you guys can see the answer is actually C. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 10. So basically all the element here lah guys. Semua yang ni. And also union E, sorry. Union E means ada yang ni. And also ada yang ni. Okay, because E. So seluruh bulatan E kena masuk. Okay. So that's why your answer is 1, 2, 3. And then 4, 6, 9, 10. Semua yang ni. Understand? Do you guys see the concept? So this is E union G prime. Dapat? All of you can? So basically seluruh bulatan E lah. And then G prime. So yang ni sajalah. Okay? Okay, so that's how you get the answer. Alright. So next one guys. Question 4 and question 5. Any question to discuss? 4 dan 5. Anything? 4 only 4. Okay, so for this one. Okay, very simple. You just need to change it to the same base guys. Tukar dia jadi asal sama. Okay, so 6 to 5 is actually 5 power 4. 5 kuasa 4. And then 1 over 4x square divide 1 over. Okay, if divide means I can write times lah guys. Kalau bagi saya tulis darab. So darab 5 power 3 1 over 3. Because they say cube root punca kuasa 3. So 1 over 3 and then negative 5x. Okay, equal to 15625 is 5 power 6 I think. Let me see. 15625 is 5 power 6 guys. Sama nilai. Okay, so you just change everything to base 5. Semua tukar asas 5. Okay, so you just simplify 5 power x square times 5 power negative 5x equal to 5 power 6. 3 and 3 potong. So you guys, can you see a quadratic equation? Cuba nampak? I can direct compare lah guys. Terus banding kuasa. Sebab asal sama. Am I right? Same base, So I can direct compare the power. And then if it times, you must plus lah. Kalau darab, kamu tambah dua-dua yang ni. Okay? So x square minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Why got so many emoji? Wow, guys. Terpegun lah. Cara saya selesaikan. You guys get shocked, is it? Okay. So minus plus. So x is negative 1, x is 6. So this is your answer, guys. Negative 1 and 6. So answer is A. Dapat, guys? Jelas? Senang tak? I think quite straightforward also lah. Yes. I never use calculator one, guys. Saya memang tak tekan calculator. I do in my brain only. Saya guna otak. I train my brain to solve mentally lah, guys. Saya uji minda saya. Because to me, it is not good to depend on a calculator. Am I right? Tak bagus untuk kamu bergantung pada satu alat bila kamu ada keupayaan untuk mengira. Am I right? Yeah, I know. But if I'm, how to say, like comfortable, can do directly, tak perlu bazir masa tekan lah, guys. Saya tengah ambil actual science. Pernah dengar tak? Nak ambil lah. Can I see the question again? Can? No problem. Yeah, correct. Once done, tell me, Yu Tong. Okay? Can? Okay. Continue, guys. Okay, so now question 6, question 7. Any one of you got questions to ask? 6, 7. Anything? 6 is probability, 7 is function. Ada apa-apa? If nothing, you guys just tell me none lah. Okay, 7 only. Okay, so for 7, what is the type of relation? Okay, this one actually you guys study admaths. For those study admaths, kamu tahu lah. Okay, 6 also. Okay, so this one is 1. This one is many. Can you guys see, guys? Satu kepada banyak. So that's why jawapan dia automatically B. Just nampak saja. Nothing to count. Okay, you guys see 1 over here, 2 over here. So 1, 2, many. Satu kepada banyak. I try also lah. I try my best. For admaths a bit hard, but I still try my best. Okay? Alright. So now guys, this question. Probability blue marble. Okay? Kebarangkalian guli biru. Okay, so very simple. 25 blue and yellow marbles. Okay, so total is 25 lah guys. Jumlah adalah 25. And then they say yellow exceed blue by 7. So yellow, katakan yang kuning tu X. So yang biru tu akan jadi X tolak 7 lah. Am I right? Okay, because they say X exceeds blue by 7. Okay, X tu melebihi guli biru sebanyak 7. Semacam tu lah. So they say calculate the probability of blue marble. Okay, so jumlah dia kena sama dengan 25 kan? Total must be 25. Correct? So 2x equal to 18. X is equal to 9. Betul? So maksudnya yang kuning tu yang ni 9. X is 9. And the blue is actually 2. X minus 7 is 2. This one is blue. This one is yellow. Faham? So now they ask probability blue. So it's 2 over 25 lah guys. 2 bahagi tak dapat lah. 2 bahagi 25. Dah guys. Did I make mistake? Number 6. Boy. Boy means yellow, right? X minus 7. 2x equal to 18. Sorry. Mistake. Sorry. Saya buat silap. This is the problem with mental sometimes lah guys. Kalau buat pengiran guna otak kadang-kadang salah. So this one is 16. This one is 14. Sorry, this one is how much? This one is 9. 9. So you will get blue is 9 lah guys. 9 per 25. Correct. Okay, the number of blue marbles divide total. Okay, jumlah biru bagi jumlah keseluruhan. sama dengan kebarangkalian guli biru. Okay? Alright. So next one. Question 8, 9, 10. Any questions over here? 8, 9, 10. Ada apa-apa soalan? If none means we skip. Kalau tak ada apa-apa, we go 9 and 10. 9, 10. Okay. So for this question, they ask you find the value of this one. Cari nilai ni. So you just expand lah guys. Kembangkan. Okay, so minus 4Q. So P3 minus 4Q minus 5PX. So P3 minus 4Q, the value is 6, right? Soalan dah bagi tahu 6. Tolak 5PX, negative 15. So the answer is 21. A. Dapat? So it's just you need to substitute the values lah guys. Gantikan saja nilai. Okay? Understand guys? Question 9. Jelas? Okay, next one. Question 10. Yang ke-10, total saving. Jumlah simpanan. Okay, so this one I equal PLT lah guys. Simple interest. Faedah mudah. Ini rumus dia. Okay, so P is equal to 9200 R 4%. T third year. Tahun ketiga. Okay, so T is equal to 3. So jawapan dia apa? 9200 times 4 times 3 over 100. 1104. Okay, but this one is the interest guys. Remember, yang ni adalah faedah. Tapi soalan tanya jumlah simpanan. Total saving. So total you have to take 9200 plus interest. Plus 1104. So your answer is 10304. Dapat guys? Jangan keliru dan letak A. If you guys put A is wrong. A is just interest only. Faedah saja. But question asks total. Jumlah. Okay? Alright. Next one. 11 and 12. Any question? 11, 12. Ada apa-apa? Anything? If you don't have, you guys say don't have lah. 12. Okay, dua-dua. Okay, so express Q in term of P and R. Okay, so kamu kena susun sajalah. Okay, so P minus 3 equal to third Q minus 7 over R square plus 5. So Q in term of P and R. So kamu pindahlah macam ni. So P minus 3 times R square plus 5. So jawapan dia third Q minus 7 equal to PR square plus 5P minus 3R square minus 15. Okay, and then third Q equal to PR square plus 5P minus 3R square minus 8. Negative 7 saya pindah ke sini lah guys. I just shift it. So negative 15 plus 7, negative 8. So Q equal to PR square plus 5P minus 3R square minus 8 square. Kuasa 2, dua-dua belah. I square both side. So this should be the answer lah guys. So it's P minus 3. I can factorize. P minus 3R square. Saya tulis macam ni. Plus 5P minus 8 square. So the answer is 5P minus 8 donkey. Okay? Jelas guys? How I solve? Can get the concept? 11? Boleh? No problem Okay. Next one. So for question 12, linear equation in two variables guys. Persamaan linear dua pemboleh ubah. Okay, so linear kuasa kena 1. So kuasa 2 tak boleh. Remember, linear is always power 1. Okay, this one also cannot. Okay, and then this one also cannot. So answer is D guys. Understand? Basically, y equal to mx plus c lah. Kamu boleh dapat format ni. So only this equation you can get this format. Understand? Clear? So remember the power of y and x must be 1. Kuasa dua-dua ni kena 1. Okay? That's how you get linear. No problem guys? All of you? Can Continue Alright. So question 13. Anyone need discussion? 13 perlu bincang tak? Yes or no? I think this one simple, right? Why A incorrect? A is because power 2. X kuasa 2. Kalau kuasa 2 bukan linear dah. Faham? Hanya boleh kuasa 1. Okay? Okay, so question 13 guys. Anyone? 13? Tak ada. 13 don't have. Okay, so next one. 14. 14 ada tak? 14. Okay, so 14. 14, find the value of x. Okay, so for x, okay, so kamu kena tahu apa ada info tak? Okay, so tangent. Tangent mean 90 degrees guys. 90 darjah. So nilai ni adalah 32. 32. Okay, this one is 90 degrees. Okay, so 32 juga kat sini. Sebab dua yang ni akan sama panjang. Radius, jari lah. Okay, these two are the radius. Okay, so nilai ni how much? 180 minus 32 minus 32. Okay, so 180 tolak 64. This value 116. Correct? And then remember, nilai kat penjuru, the value at the corner there is always half of the one in the center. Kena bagi dua. Okay, so 58 nilai dia. Okay, and then this value yang besar 360 minus 116. One circle, satu bulatan, 360 minus 116. So 244. Okay, so sekarang boleh carilah how many sides guys? 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 360 lah jumlah sudut. Okay, so 58 plus x salah, plus x kat sini pun akan x sama saja, will be same. Okay, so then plus 244 equal to 360. Okay, so then you guys solve for x lah, selesaikan. So you will get x is equal to 29. Jawapan dia C. Okay, clear guys? All of you can? Jelas how I get the answer? Boleh? Can get the step? Boleh. Okay, next one. Okay, so question 15. Anyone? 15 ada tak? Yes or no? Ana? Ada. 15, okay. So for 15, J and K. Okay, so dia kata 4 unit of J, 3 unit of K. 1 over 4P plus 3Q. Okay. Find the total difference in discount. Okay. So, dia kata ada 4J and also 3K. Okay, 4J and 3K. So, basically, 1 over 4P plus 3Q from each of the purchase. Okay. So, satu, kamu beli, ada diskaun yang ni. So, kalau beli 4, ada diskaun yang lebih lah. Okay, so, total difference, jumlah beza discount in term of P and Q. Okay, so basically kalau beli 4, kena darab 4 lah. Okay, you guys must times 4. Okay, so yang ni akan jadi 16P over Q. Yang ni akan jadi 12Q over P. Darab 4 harga dia times 4. Okay, and then discount. So discount 1 per 4P tambah 3Q. Okay. Times harga dia. Kena darab lah. Persen. Saat 1 over 4P plus 3Q persen. Okay. Kena bagi 100 lah per 100. Okay. Yes. Okay. Kena darab 4. Yang ni saya darab 4. Okay. Sebab dia beli 4 dan... sorry. Yang ni 3 kan. So this one times 3. Sorry times 3 sebab 3 unit K. Alright. And then bahagi 100. So maksudnya saya letak 100 kat sini lah guys. Okay, 100 at the bottom. 100 4P plus 3Q. Macam ni. Okay. Oh, okay, dah main. It's okay. Alright, and then apa lagi? Time, yeah. So yang ni pun sama lah. Times 1 over 100. 4P plus 3Q. So this is basically the discount lah guys. Nilai discount dia. Okay, so then they ask you the total difference. So basically kamu kena ambil yang ni, tolak yang ni lah. Okay, you guys just need to minus. Tolak saja. So you guys will notice that the answer, let me see the answer is actually boy. Okay, you guys should get boy. Final answer. Okay, so you guys just simplify lah, permudahkan. Okay, so you will get 16p over 100q 4p plus 3q minus 9q over 100p 4p plus 3q plus 3q. So you guys can gabungkan. So you guys will get 16p minus 9q over 100 pq 4p plus 3q. Saya gabungkan jadi satu pecahan guys. Combine become one fraction. And then I factorize 4p minus 3q. Okay, sat 4p plus 3q, 4p plus 3q. Okay, so bahagi 100 pq 4p plus 3q. Okay, sat 4p minus 3q. Sat. Adakah saya buat silap? Do I make mistake? Wait. Ya. Ada silap, Sat. Bila combine, yang ni kena Q. And then yang ni kena P. Okay, so it should become like this lah, guys. Am I right? Let me check. 9Q over 100P. 9Q kan? So minus 9P. Tadi betul lah. Okay, just now correct. 16Q, yeah. Like this, correct. 16P. Wait lah, guys. Start. 16P. 16 over 100. So it should be P square lah. 16P over 100Q, yeah. 16P square. And then this one is 9Q square. Baru boleh. Yeah. Okay, so based on this, if you factorize, right, it's actually 3P plus 4Q, 3P minus 4Q. 4-3. Wah, saya pun dah confused. 4P plus 3Q, 4P minus 3Q. So potong-potong, your answer is B lah, guys. Okay, jelas? Do you get the concept? So 4P minus 3Q over 100 PQ. Understand, guys, this question? You must just be careful with algebra lah. Okay, kena hati-hati dengan algebra. That's all. Then you will get the answer. Okay, guys? Can? Okay, next one. Okay, so for question 16, anyone? 16, ada tak? Anyone? 16? Nak cepat, habis dah. 16, okay ya. Okay, so they ask you length of MN. Okay, so PQ equal to RS. So PQ 16, RS 16, MT 6. Okay, so for this one, they ask MN kan? MN. Okay, so kamu boleh carilah. This one is 8. This one is 8. This one is 8. This one also 8. So kamu boleh cari yang ni. Okay, so this is Pythagoras theorem lah, guys. Yeah, Pythagoras. So this one is actually 6. MT 6. Okay, so yang ni 10 lah. Okay, PT will be 10. So TU also 10, right? Because it's the radius, correct? Jejari. Okay, and then this one also should be 6. Dia akan sama. Kiri kanan. It'll be the same. Okay, so the answer is going to be 22 lah, guys. 6 plus 10 plus 6, 22. MN. Okay, jelas? This one is maths, guys. Basic maths. Mathematics biasa saja. Okay, so 16 is C, guys. Clear? Concept dia? All okay? Can, Still surviving? Boleh. Okay, next one. 17. Anyone? 17? Yes or no? How got 10? Wait, 10 because radius, Fatin. This one is the radius. Can you see? PT and TU is the same circle, right? Can you see? It's the jejari of this circle. So it's the same value one. 10, 10. Yeah, I'm doing mental calculation lah. Correct. This one all simple calculation only, guys. Yang ni semua senang saja, pangeran. Tambah-tambah saja. Am I right? Okay, guys. Boleh. yang dekat PT. PT tu hypotenuse lah, Fatin. Yang ni 8, 6. So 8, 6, 10 lah. Pythagoras. Square root 8 square plus 6 square. 10. Okay, kan Boleh. Alright. So 17, anyone guys? 17, ada tak? 17, yes or no? Kalau tak ada, skip saja. Okay, skip Okay. So next one, 18. 18 ada tak? 18. 18. Depend lah when you guys finish this one. 18, anyone? Tak ada. 18, okay, 18 Find the total surface area of cube T. Okay, so they say 64 cube S. Completely fill cube T. Okay, so maksudnya 3 cm, 3 cm. Okay, so this one total is 27 cm cube kan guys. This is for 1 cube. And then they say got 64 cube S. So times 64. 27 times 64. So your answer is 1728 guys. So the total volume of this is 1728. Okay, jumlah isi padu T 1728. So kalau kamu punca kuasa 3, cube root, you guys can find the side, right? Boleh cari sisi dia kan? So it's 12, 12, 12. Because it's a cube. So setiap sisi sama panjang. Same value one. So 12 times 12 times 12, 1728 cm cube. Okay? So now they ask total surface area of T. Jumlah luas permukaan T. So cube got how many surface guys? May I know? Satu kubus ada berapa permukaan? All of you. Sepatutnya habis 10 lah, tapi sekarang extend sikit lah. Because objective. Okay? So how many surface guys? Cube. Yeah. Total surface is 6. So I times 6. So it's 12 times 12 times 6. So the answer is 864. C. Okay? Dapat guys? Okay, because the area of 1 square, 1 segi 4 sama is 12 times 12. So you have 6 square, 6 segi 4 sama. So that's why kena darab 6 lah, times 6. Okay? That's all. Okay, next one. 1920. Any questions? 1920. Nana? I think it's quite easy lah guys. Senang. Nana, okay, continue. Next one. 21. Any questions? 21. Sorry, 21. Nana? Tak ada. Continue Okay, 22. 22. I know you guys sleepy, so faster finish lah. 22, anyone? Tak ada 22 tak ada. Okay, continue. 23. 23. AD. Apa maksud AD? 23 Nana? Tak ada. Okay, continue. 24. 24. Graph? Ada? Don't have. Okay, continue. 25. 25. Akan datang. Tunggu. Kebarangkalian tunggu. 25 Nana? Tak ada. Okay, 25. Sum of degree. Jumlah darjah. Okay, so jumlah darjah very simple. Kamu kena tahu rumus ni guys. Equal to 2 times number of H. Jumlah darjah sama dengan 2 kali bilangan sisi. Okay, 2 times the number of H. So number of H here is going to be how many guys? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You guys got 11 edges. So 11 times 2, the answer is 22. That's all. Jawapan dia A. Alright? Understand guys? So just need to remember this formula. Jumlah darjah sama dengan 2 kali bilangan sisi. So kamu just cari bilangan sisi. That's all. Just find number of H. Okay? Alright, 26. Anyone? 26. Tak ada? Don't have. 26. Okay, so they ask you find the value of X. Cari nilai X. Okay, so they say regular polygon. Polygon sekata. Okay, so you guys must find the value lah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Decagon. So decagon. N minus 2 times 100. Wait. Sat. Rumus dia apa? N minus 2 times 180 over N. Untuk cari satu sudut nilai dia berapa. Now you guys want to find one angle. How much? I think it's 144, right? If not mistaken. I need to trust my mental calculation. 180 times 8. Correct lah. 144. Correct. So this one is 144 lah guys. Satu sudut. 144. So now you guys need to find this lah. Kamu kena cari yang ni. Okay. So this one also 144 kan. Okay. So this one is 36. Straight line. Garis lurus. So 36. 180 tolak 144. 36. Okay. So you guys boleh cari X lah. Yang ni. Yang ni. This one 144. So yang ni 360 minus 144. So jawapan dia 216. So you guys just tambah lah. X plus 216 plus 36 plus 90 plus 90 sama dengan 540. Am I right? 5 cc kan yang ni. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. 5 side. 5 cc. So 5 cc is 5 minus 2 times 180. Formula dia n minus 2 times 180 guys. Total interior angle. Jumlah sudut pedalaman. Okay, so your X value you will get how much? You should get 108 guys. 108. Okay, so your answer is boy. Understand? Jelas? Can you see guys how I approach the question? Nampak tak? Cara saya jawab soalan. Tengok langkah saya. Macam mana saya analisis satu persatu. Ini cara kamu kena buat dalam exam. Okay, you guys must think like this one. Okay? Alright. Okay, so 27. Anyone? 27. Screenshot jalan kira ke? Okay, boleh, boleh. Done lah? Okay. 27. Anyone? 27. Kalau tak ada, kita skip lah. Senang saja. Don't have skip. Okay, so 28. Anyone? 28. Skip skip lagi. Okay, so next 29, 29, 27. Oh, 27. Okay, so 27. Prism, cross section, right angle. Volume 100, height 10. Okay, isi padu 100, tinggi 10. Okay, so dia nak cari YZ. Okay, so isi padu prisma. Okay, kelihatan. Okay, so they say cross section of right angle triangle. Okay, so volume of prism. Okay, so basically dia adalah area of triangle kali dengan ketinggian lah, height of the prism. Okay, so volume 100, setengah, tapak YZ, tinggi 4, tinggi kat sini 4 lah, panjang dia. So kamu kena bayangkan lah guys, prism dia macam ni. Can you guys imagine? Your prism will look something like this, correct? So this length is actually 10, 10. Okay, panjang yang tu. Okay, so that's why saya darab 10. Okay, so your answer for YZ is actually how much? You will get 5, right? 5. Yeah. Sat. 5 ke? 40, 20, 8. Yeah. 5 lah. Okay, 5.0, correct. 5 cm. Okay? Do you guys get it? Okay, so basically is area times length is equal to volume. This is the formula guys. Luas kali panjang sama dengan isi padu. Faham kan? Meter kuasa 2 kali meter sama dengan meter kuasa 3 kan? Isi padu. So that's why volume is equal to area times length. Okay? Dapat. Okay, so next one 28. Anyone? Cepat. Nah, habis dah. 28 tak ada. Don't have. Okay? Tak ada. Okay, 29. 29. Tak ada. Nana. Okay, 30. 30. Okay, 29. Okay, so for 29, very simple guys. Y plus X less than 8. Lebih kurang dari 8. So, kamu kena lorek ke bawah. Okay, 30 also. Okay, so you shade below. And then Y greater than or equal to X. Lebih besar atau sama dengan X ke atas. So, automatically A atau C saja boleh lah. Y greater than 2. Lebih besar dari 2. So, that's why jawapan dia A. Faham guys? Sebab kena di atas garisan ni. Okay? Y lebih besar dari 2. Senang tak guys? Simple right? So answer is A. Okay? Kenapa semua react wow? Kenapa? Ayo. Okay, next one. Conjugate angle of R is 320. Hitung Q. Okay, so R plus 320 equal to 360. Conjugate total sudut dia adalah 360. Ingat guys, sudut conjugate total 360. So R plus 320 equal to 360. So R tu 40 degree. Question ask you. Okay. So S and 70 complementary. Complementary total 90. So 70 plus 20, 90. P and 70 supplementary. Supplementary penggenap 180. So this one 110 guys. 110 plus 70, 180. Okay. Oh, because a lot of practice lah guys. 110 plus 70 plus 20 plus 40 plus Q. Total kena 360. Okay, so you guys just solve for Q. Selesaikan untuk Q. You guys will get the answer lah. 360 minus 110. Tolak semua. So your answer is actually 120. 120. Okay, so your answer is boy. Okay, jelas guys? Simple. Can get the concept? Okay, can boleh. Okay, so next one. Question 31. Okay, so anyone? 31? Tak ada? 31 don't have. Don't have. Okay, so 32? 32? Tak ada. Don't have. 32 don't have. Okay, next one. 33? 33? Can. Sudut conjugate total is 360 guys. That's what you must know. Sudut conjugate is total 360. 33 mana? Tak ada. Okay, 34, 34. Oh, 32 Okay, so for 32, okay, so you guys 40% male. They ask you number of female. Okay, so you just convert guys. Kamu kena tukar yang ni. Asal 10. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 times 3 power 3. Okay, plus 2 times 3 power 2 plus with 1 times 3 power 1. Okay, so you guys will actually get how much? Okay, kamu kira nilai dia. You guys will get, you just tekan calculator lah guys. You will get plus 3, 210, base 10. Okay, so 40% is male, 40% lelaki. So 40% times 210 lah guys. So this is lelaki. So lelaki sama dengan 84. Okay, so perempuan how much? 210 minus 84 lah. Okay, so 210 minus 84 berapa? 126. So 126 kamu convert lah semua nilai ni. Okay, you need to check and see yang mana adalah 126. Okay, so your answer actually is C lah guys. Kamu boleh cuba. Okay, 240 base 7 convert to base 10. Kamu tukar kepada asas 10 lah. 2 times 7 square plus 4 times 7, 1. So your answer is actually 126. 126. Okay, clear guys? So that's why jawapan dia C. Alright. Okay, so 33 tak ada. 34, anyone? 34. This one simple lah guys, variation saja. Tak ada? Don't have. Okay, so 35, 35. Tak ada? Ana? Okay, 36. Got or not? 36 tak ada. Okay, wait. 35 Okay, so 35. Puan Rasha. So 10 guys. Remember policy holder always take the lower value. Okay, pemegang policy dia ambil nilai yang lebih rendah. So it's 10% kali dengan medical cost after deductible. Okay, cost perubatan selepas deductible. And remember kamu kena tambah deductible kat akhir untuk tentukan cost dia. Okay, remember always must plus deductible. Okay, so final answer is actually 3460. Okay, so the answer is donkey. Understand? Dapat? Do you see the concept? So 10% kali cost perubatan after deductible plus deductible. Okay? Alright, 36 tak ada. 36 none. Simple only lah guys. Tenang. Okay, 37. 37 also tak ada. Okay, don't have. Tak ada. Okay, 38, 38. I think very simple lah. 37. Okay, so this one state the possible value of A. Okay, so kat sini, graf ni lebih kecil kan? Is smaller, right? Okay, so kalau graf lebih kecil, nilai A tu kena negatif, of course. Sebab graf dia masam. Okay, your graph is flying, so it must be negative. And nilai dia kena lebih besar. Okay, so 38, the answer is actually, 37, right? 37 answer donkey, yeah. Correct. Donkey. Sebab nilai dia kena lebih besar dari negatif 3. Lebih besar maksudnya nilai lah guys. Just the value, not the sign. Jangan lihat negatif. Don't see negative sign. Just see the value. 3 and 5 kena lebih besar. Because your graph is negative. Okay, negative. So lebih besar nilai tu, lebih sempit graph dia. The higher the value, the smaller the size. Kalau positif, konsep dia terbalik. Okay? Kalau positif, nilai dia lebih besar, nilai A lebih besar, graph lebih sempit. Okay? Higher A, smaller graph. For negative, actually negative, right? The value is going smaller. Okay, if you consider negative, the value going smaller, right guys? Kalau ambil kira negatif, nilai itu lebih kecil kan? Negative 3 change to negative 5. So lebih kecil nilai A, lebih sempit graph tu. Okay, smaller value of A, the less wider lah the curve, or the narrower the curve. Okay. So basically you can consider negative lah. Kamu boleh ambil kira nilai negatif. Okay, so A berkurang, graph tu jadi lebih sempit. For A less than 0. Okay, understand guys? Dapat? Okay, so 38 tak ada. 38 tak ada. 39 also tak ada lah. Simple only. Okay, and then last one, 40. Ada? Finish. That's all. 40. Okay, last one. Which of the following spring is toughest? This one physics question, guys. Toughest means that you must see the one with the gradient lah. Okay, so this is X, elongation. Mass is force. Okay, if you guys learn physics, right? Yeah, F equal Kx. So K is the gradient, kecerunan. K equal to F over X. So, sekarang X melawan F kan? X over F. So, it's negative. I mean, it's 1 over K lah. 1 per K is equal to X over F. Correct? So, they ask the toughest spring. Paling kuat. So, paling kuat maksudnya, kecerunan dia kena paling rendah lah. Am I right? The gradient must be the smallest. So, that's why the answer is D. Okay? The smallest gradient means it's the strongest. Because your gradient now is 1 over K, guys. Kecerunan dia 1 per K. So, it's opposite. Okay? Understand the concept? So, that's why D is the answer. Alright? Clear? So, that's all. Or, you guys can actually count the values. Just guna semua nilai ni dan kira. Okay? You can get the answer. Okay? Alright. So, thank you very much, guys. Hopefully, the class really helped you. Okay, anyone of you new or not over here? Siapa kat sini baru first time join? Anyone of you here? Okay, so for those first time join, right? Make sure kamu PM nombor saya untuk join WhatsApp group saya. Okay, you can PM lah. No need, Fatin. Tak perlu. For those first time join, if you're interested to join my future class, you can PM my number. Okay, WhatsApp 017-966-0510. Okay, hopefully the class help you all lah. Does it help? Adakah dia membantu? Hopefully it help you guys revise all your lower form plus form 4 to form 5 lah. Okay, all right. Thank you very much guys for joining. Okay, terima kasih. Hopefully it help. Okay, keep on fighting. Okay, make sure during these holidays you revise well. Okay, try to revise all the topics you have learned. Yes, thank you very much. Hopefully it helped, guys. Thank you. Good night. Yes, thank you so much. Have a good day also. Thank you. Thank you. Terima kasih. Thank you. Good night. Thank you very much. You can find in my YouTube, Fatin. I already made a video on proving. All the proving for Form 4, Form 5 at Maths, right? I got video already. You just search my channel and see. Search my YouTube channel. Okay. Tomorrow is Form 5 at Maths. Okay. Normal class lah. Class biasa. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Terima kasih. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Make sure PM the number also, guys, for those first time join. All right. Good night. Good night. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye. So I off, guys. Tak ada apa-apa soalan lagi. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ada apa-apa lagi? All of you over here. Anything else? Tak ada? Nothing. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye bye. Okay, nombor telefon yang ni. Ada. Yang ni. Boleh PM WhatsApp. Okay? All right. Bye bye.